Yeah.
Look at this, they're back, they're back, they're back.
Hi guys.
I have one thing to say, poison dog farts.
Yeah.
Look at Carlos, this is what happens to you when you're having poison dog farts around you.
Yeah. or very heavy medication.
So we nearly forgot how to do this thing
Yeah,
because it's 4 weeks now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought it was next week.
Hey Carl, hey Paul, hey the other Paul, SX-Man is already there, Dutch is here, Paul is here, I said Paul already, right? Yeah.
LVDS?
Yeah.
SX-Man.
And Gordon is here, hey man.
And everybody else is here.
Yeah.
Excellent. So yeah, 2 weeks ago, what did you guys do when we do it in streaming? Did you just chill?
No, I was suffering at home.
You were suffering, okay.
And fighting with the government with my lawyer.
Okay, so you were suffering. What were you doing 2 weeks ago when we didn't stream?
If I don't do anything, I'm sleeping.
You're sleeping. And well, there's some cat in you,
Yeah, I can totally relate to cats. Yeah.
Yeah, and
I think cats don't do the world domination thing because they're napping all the time.
Yeah, I would love to be able to sleep more than 2 hours a day.
and Julie and myself spent 3 nights in Las Palmas at the carnival.
Oh yeah.
Oh, cute! The techie tears. This is cute. A sex-man. Look, the techie tears.
Techie tears. Yeah.
That's a nice one. Cheers, mate.
Techie tears.
Without AI.
So the most unusual thing about going to the carnival at Las Palmas, it rained.
Yeah.
It rained.
I heard that.
So
Tim, mate. Sorry, I need to.
That's not happened in like 20 years or so.
No, I know. So we have the evidence.
April. Sorry, I shut up now.
We have the evidence on Gran Canaria Uncovered, but explain what happened when it rained. So the trucks, the floats are coming along, the carrozas, the headlights, you see all the rain, you got all the disco lights on the back, you see all the rain, which is why things end up in here for repair, by the way. All these amplifiers and speakers and lighting are all in the rain. But the carnival continues, and at like 10:30 at night, it's about 15 centigrade, and there's loads of young females wearing basques and things, running around and dancing in it. So it's like they didn't notice, you're just going crazy in the rain.
Yeah. They're drunk as hell, all of them.
Yeah. So anyway.
I think Lon is asking if you can get a t-shirt. Yes, I was making a comment about Richard's t-shirt, and I'm curious, but I'm going to make a purchase, but the shipping would be more than the t-shirt itself. Well, Lon, text Richard or me, we probably can send you the PNG of this.
Yeah.
This is probably way cheaper than
you get the PNG, and then you can use a local shop that does printing, and you get a better shirt actually, because I didn't buy the cheapest one obviously, because it was gifts.
So you bought the next cheapest one.
Thereabouts. It wasn't that expensive. Getting a print on a t-shirt is about 15 euros, and if you get a good t-shirt, it's 15 euros. So
yeah.
This was about 15 as well.
Yeah, the Learning Electronic, sorry, the Gran Canaria Uncovered t-shirts were
18.
Yeah. So the last thing I was mentioning about that weekend, I'm in like the big area of the park, so the trucks are coming through, the people all behind barriers. There's only me and the film crew from the television station running around in there, and a couple of official cameramen, and I've got the t-shirt on, Gran Canaria Uncovered, and I saw the live broadcast afterwards on the national TV, and I thought, hang on, I was there, and I'm clearly in debt to this. I'm clearly on there with the t-shirt on, with a channel number on live TV, with a channel name.
Free advertisement.
Free advertisement, yeah. But anyway, let's get back to some electronics, yeah? Or let's even do some electronics.
Yay!
Yeah. So, what does Detla have on here? What is this?
Oh, you want to start with that?
Oh, why not? It's on the desk already. I assumed you wanted to start with this because it's on the desk already.
I'll show you guys.
It's a glowing battery.
It's a battery.
Hang on, it's glowing.
Yeah, it has a green LED.
Look at this, it's glowing.
It's a glowing battery.
Yeah, because this is a broken one. This is actually, can I turn this around?
Yes.
So people can see this.
USB-C.
There's a USB-C port on this thing. They build crazy stuff in China, I tell you.
AA USB-C battery.
How did they fit 1600 milliamp hours in this?
I think this number is actually the size of the battery. So 16800
is the size.
Is 16.
If you
and then you put milliamp hour at the end of it.
Yeah. So they're very creative.
So I think it's closer to 1900 maybe.
Yeah.
If it's one of the newer ones.
But this is one of the crazy ones that actually, the green light you're seeing over there should only be on while it's charging because, well...
Oh, it's charging itself then?
Yeah, but it stays on as long as the battery has some juice left in there. So I talked to the seller and I actually get a refund for this because I have, where they are, 4 more of them, 8 more of them. They'll be using the for the microphones for the band.
And those don't do that, right?
So the light only comes on when you charge it.
So this is draining the battery.
Yeah, of course, it's a self-discharging battery. So
Yeah.
I don't know if this is by design, but for me this sounds very stupid design. And I thought, okay, I always wanted to look inside what's inside these things.
Okay.
And since we have this one, and I charged this just for 5 minutes, so the green LED is on. So shouldn't be very much charging here. So
Yeah, even if there is, this is not a lithium battery, I think.
but there's a lithium battery in there.
It is?
Of course. How do you want to charge this otherwise?
Oh yeah, right. Yeah, it could be an ECAD. You can't charge an ECAD.
No.
But it is 1.5 volt, it's not like 4 volt.
And it says,
Yeah, exactly.
it says, yeah, of course, there's a regulator.
I
there.
think we should ask the most important question first. Do you guys want to see what's inside?
Oh yeah,
this
true.
battery?
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah.
Do you guys want to see what's in there?
Yeah.
I'm guessing a circular circuit board up here and some wires.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's my guess. It's really light.
Get it in bits, says
Yeah,
Paul. Yeah.
I was expecting that answer.
Yeah.
What's
Judge says
I'm
open
looking
it.
for the knife already.
No,
Somebody using these. Let me know if somebody else using these.
I would use this, especially for the VR headset and stuff that uses normal batteries, because this is really easy to charge and have a few of them.
You don't need a charger for that, so this is easier to than running around with a charger. Oh yeah, they want to see blood.
Yeah.
they want to see blood.
Oh yeah. I don't even need the answer from them. I know already. I know.
The way you do this looks like blood already.
Yeah. I know the audience we have.
I've been going to see an IC that is extremely small, probably the smallest charging circuit. Yes, something like that.
But it must contain a buck converter to get it back down to the 1.5 volts
course.
coming out.
The biggest
By the way, can we just measure it? Is it exactly 1.5 volts? Shall we just measure the voltage?
Yeah, sure.
Get you
Before we
you destroy it.
Yeah.
What's coming out
The
of
biggest
it?
problem with these is they need to deliver this 1.5 volt all the time, so there's no switching off. So this will discharge even if there's only some microamps going out of there.
Let me hold this.
So you can't use this for, say, a wall.
No, you put it on hertz. There we go.
I didn't put on anything.
I put it on the volts.
1.52.
Yeah. And it's stable.
Okay. Yes, it should be. I mean, this should be stable over the battery's life, much more so than an actual.
Yeah, the newer ones actually drop the voltage, so it's a simulate a discharging battery.
Really?
Yeah.
These
This is-
Chinese think of everything.
Yes. They do.
Yeah, because some circuits actually use the discharge voltage to indicate
So
stuff.
you don't have the problem like you have with NEMH cells. Something like you get only 1.2 volts, you get 1.5. The biggest problem is the self-discharge. So you can't put this in, say, a wall clock or something. This would probably run for 4 weeks or something, then will be dead.
Yeah.
So what you normally do with us, if you have a thing that you know when you use it, then these are fine. For example, microphones on stage.
Radio
Yeah.
Max.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
if I know we have a gig, okay, I can charge these batteries before, and then use them. So this is not something
There we
for.
go. There's the lithium cell.
Oh.
So it's split there. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why I didn't want to stab the knife.
that was a good idea. Yeah. Hello, folks. How are you keeping an eye?
It looks
Yeah,
like-
Joe, we're fine. I think. Yeah.
It looks like one of those batteries that are used by vape pens.
True. Oh yeah. You're right. Yeah. I use them because I like my low battery alarm, and those make my headphones think they are 100% charged all the time. Yeah, Carter. Yeah.
Yep, that's
That
one
will
of
work,
the
yeah.
problems. Yeah.
We were discussing this morning, and as I said, these are still a better choice than having a microphone with a built-in battery, because this way you need to take the microphone off stage, charge it, and then hope that it comes back fast.
I did just mention to you though that you should carry with you a few normal AA cells as well as spare ones in case any of these
Just in case.
fail.
Yeah.
Just in case.
Yeah.
You just
And this is the next great thing, because you're using standard cells, so
Okay.
yeah, I would keep a few spare in case you forget to charge one or something happens. You know.
Okay.
Lon says, well, it isn't the main advantage. The voltage is 1.5 to rechargeable versus 1.5 from nickel cadmium, which is a lot of devices just too low. And yep, absolutely long. But again, if you have something that needs long battery life and very low discharge, this is probably not the tool not your weapon of choice.
Can I ask how much these cost?
Yeah, you can, and I have no answer. I could look this up, but then I need to put it on the camera.
I can give a ballpark.
I can.
I have
Electrically noisy devices, absolutely, Paul. Yeah,
Yeah.
This would be a switching regulator in there. This won't be something like a buck converter. This would be switching.
If they did some
No,
noise isolation, I would be impressed.
You're doing switching there.
Yeah.
So yes, this will be noisy.
Oh yes. So if I search for recharge, what's that search?
Huh.
USB-C AAA on AliExpress.
Okay, so the bottom pad is going from up here.
Mhm.
So,
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Lon says you do sacrifice a little bit of battery capacity because of the charging circuitry, but it's still something that could be used in certain devices and situations. Absolutely.
Okay.
Lon, yeah.
So
And
the
few
only
of you
thing.
that use the charge them as needed. Yeah. I suspect they go abruptly, especially in 4 in the series. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm guessing the same. This is pretty new for me too. I normally have these Eneloop laying around everywhere.
Yeah.
But for these you need a charger, and they only do 1.2 volts.
I have the price on screen if anybody wants to see.
Wait, I can switch over to the other machine.
That's about right.
The one top row right.
This one here.
No,
So,
I was
Yeah, you're
incorrect about the battery. No, that's not the charger.
well, this one that you get.
No. This one.
This.
Yeah, those are the same.
Oh, this is a different.
Well, this,
Because
this is different label.
so how many did you get for this price?
Okay, the milliamp hours seem to be more reasonable.
Well, that's two for about €4.50 each. 4. Yeah.
Yeah,
Over €4 each.
yeah. Okay, it drops a bit there, yeah, but
Yeah. Okay. So that's the sort of price.
okay, so I got the sheeting off, but it doesn't come loose. I
No.
found the PCB. I see one tab soldered there. That's pretty much
From there, it's probably brute force.
Yeah, it's break off this part. The problem is this can actually short internally.
This is why I didn't charge this for long. So
Yeah.
the charge left in there should be very small.
There we go.
Okay. You're going there.
Yeah.
Oh yes, you are.
I'm not going to stab myself today.
Please don't.
Yeah. I'm trying not to.
So when they said they wanted blood, they didn't mean literally.
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah.
I'm never sure.
Knowing them, yes, they actually did. I'm not going to oblige.
Yeah, Chris, about £8 for a pack of 4. Yeah, I think this
Yeah.
somewhere around there. You can't be sure about the quality, so there's no way to tell you. Okay. Oh, all the electronics is this part, and the rest is battery.
Okay, but that's good. You can put a larger one if you need.
Yeah, true. And now I have a battery left. Nice. Can you measure the voltage of the battery?
Yep, sure. Let's go.
Right. I mean, 3.72.
Yeah. It's a,
Yeah. So this is a very discharged lipo cell.
yeah. So, but this is a very compact charging circuit.
This is a crazy compact design. Look at this, man.
And actually, there's more space down here.
Can we get in there?
Yeah, sure. I can
Would
probably
be-
cut this up with some
Cutters.
Yeah,
cutters.
would be
I have some heavier duty
a bit
cutters.
curious. Yeah.
Look at the contact area for the charging or the power transfer. That's tiny. That's for that's for the positive.
That's a positive connector.
And that's a pogo pin.
That's a pogo. Yeah. I see. Yeah.
These are some heavier
Well,
duty cutters.
Yeah.
Why,
Yeah, I have the same-
Why
same type.
reinvent the wheel? This is absolutely.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
I like the idea of pogo for this.
You probably can smack the head and simply it will drop down.
Ah, that's possible.
Oh, yes.
Don't-
Not anymore.
Don't think so. Yeah, there we go. No, it's actually glued around.
Okay.
See some glue. Now it's loose. And now it should go out.
See what I said?
Yeah,
Yeah, smack the head.
Smack the head.
No, it doesn't come out. it wants to.
No, it can't anymore because all the twisted metal.
The metal's off.
Ow! Ow!
blood!
Ah!
It's become a horror story. You know this is going to become 18 rated, don't you? 'Cause
Yeah.
Okay, that's why it didn't pop off.
Oh yeah, because it's soldered or spot welded.
Okay.
Okay, paper first, so that don't put blood everywhere.
Don't bleed everywhere, please.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Okay.
There we go, fixed.
Okay, this is tiny.
Yeah, no, the design is cool.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's a very thin PCB.
Yeah.
That looks of it.
Can we get into the plastic sheet?
Please do.
I hope we can.
Okay, let's see. So-
Okay, guys, I try to stay on this.
Oh, there we have an opening. Cool.
Okay.
Is that where the USB was?
No, USB on the
No,
other
the
side.
USB is on the other side. Yeah.
Yeah, but there's
Oh!
there's a charger controller somewhere.
There.
There's your power supply, and there's a little inductor for the switch mode.
Oh.
Microscope, I think, is required.
Yeah, microscope is a good
let's
idea.
Put this over here.
So that's webcam video recorder thing. There we are.
There we go.
Do I press something to get full screen? Is it all
I like the size of the inductor.
Function F1.
function F1?
Hmm?
There you go.
So inductor, a little control chip
Oh,
for charging.
The control chip is actually marked. If you just get the focus.
Can you get in there?
Yep. Get down. Maybe.
Yeah, the USB connector is
Where the-
larger than the entire circuit. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
You were living in crazy times, guys.
Change the focus.
I'm just going to go a little bit closer.
Sorry about this, guys. Just move all over
Those
the
are
place.
specifically designed. It probably took time before they became affordable to market to make them product like this. Yeah.
There's a light.
Yep. I'm going to turn
On.
on.
Ooh, yeah.
That's better.
Now they're on.
Now we can see something. Can we read the numbers?
I think we need to get closer.
Yeah, actually, I think I do. Get
Get
that.
closer than
Need to get
this.
closer. Closer.
Wow. Now we're close.
Yeah.
Oh, ooh.
There we go.
So we have this SM5102.
Give me a second. I'll put it so people don't turn their phones upside down.
Okay.
Stop turning your phone down upside down. Carlos is doing this for you.
We have it. SM5102.
From Michon?
Michon.
Michon, never heard them.
Michon, yeah.
Yeah.
Not Micron.
Does it have the USB-C resistors? I would guess these are integrated into the chip. I'm guessing
Yeah.
here. Because I don't see anything left on this thing. It's probably directly connected
So
to the...
There is one capacitor outside.
So-
Yeah.
That's pretty much it.
Yeah, so we have a capacitor down there.
Yep.
We have the actual chip, and then we have the inductor. Is that about it?
Can we see the LED? The LED must be somewhere.
Is there something on the bottom side of this?
Yeah, the LED must be in there somewhere.
Oh, there is missing a component there. That's probably a diode, right?
Where?
Probably they didn't need
They
this.
didn't need it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Turn around.
Yeah. I was going to. And there's the
Oh, the LED is probably under the metal.
yeah the
Yeah.
metal cap. Yes.
Yes, the LED's was in the metal cap somewhere, basically. Wow, that's very small.
That is very small, but how much power can you draw through that small trace?
Probably quite a bit, actually.
Probably, I think that if you design something like that, there would probably be overcurrent protection.
Well, if you draw in an amp at 1.5 volts, it's 1.5 watts.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's not that bad, no.
So, yes, I'm sure you could draw some current from that. That's interesting. That's very interesting, that.
It's really nicely made, actually,
Yeah.
Yeah.
because the connection point here on the side.
It's like welded on.
Yeah, they didn't use solder, so it is actually metally melted, right?
Yeah, you can see the welding point, yeah.
Probably laser welded.
Amazing.
Yeah, no, and considering the price of this thing and the battery, because the battery costs quite a bit actually. Depending on the milliamp hours and stuff, it's not 16,000 though, obviously. But but let's say
But now I can measure this.
2,000. Yeah, you can put it in one of the charge circuits.
Indeed, yeah.
There's two capacitors.
Yeah, there's one on the other side. I didn't
These
see
could
that
be
one.
resistors.
And there's a
The black
resistor
ones.
on the.
Resistor looks like it
A
was.
small AA flashlight has a circuit. Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
So one of these is going to be the input capacitor from the battery.
Yeah.
Although you don't need much of a capacitor, it's a battery.
Yeah.
And then the other one is going to be the output capacitor. This is the inductor.
Probably the big one is the output.
I would say that's the output, and that's it. Yeah, very simple little book.
Yeah,
cover.
and the resistor is probably to set the USB-C to something.
Yeah, I'll go along with that because
Yeah.
that seems to go underneath the USB-C connector.
Yeah, it probably goes to one of the pins that sets it to 5 volts, let's say, for charging.
Wow.
So the chip gets faulty. I guess so, I don't know, because we just open this up, you know.
It's probably the chip.
It's still charging. Maybe there's some short circuit somewhere happened.
Is there a short on the capacitors? Maybe.
No, that gives no output.
No. Yeah, exactly. Then the output would be short.
Oh, maybe the resistor is in series with the LED.
True.
Oh no, it's 1.5 volt. Yeah, because some of these will be limiting the current on the LED.
Yeah, that could be the case.
What are you looking at? I only see a coil here.
A resistor over there.
Yeah.
I believe that black thing
Is a resistor, yeah.
there is a resistor, and the track goes off that way.
Yeah, it goes underneath to one of the other pins.
Yeah.
And this is not a full USB-C connector either.
No, it isn't. Yeah, you only have these 5 connectors, so something virtual in the middle.
So this is a USB 2
Because
disguised as USB-C.
Yeah, because the green LED, they could actually be using the forward voltage drop of the LED to limit its own current because they're about 1.5 volts anyway.
As long as the color is correct.
Oh, Chris already checked this out. 1 amp maximum charge and 2 amp maximum discharge.
Wow.
2 amp through this little coil.
Yeah.
Oh, this is.
Oh yeah, that's going to boil.
But no, again, it's still only about 3 watts.
Yeah, but
Which is some. I mean, give it that is some.
For that little coil, it's quite a lot.
Yeah, it's probably 2 watts for not very long because the battery probably discharges.
Yeah, it saturates the coil, right?
That's nice.
I like.
Thanks, Chris, by the way.
Considering the pogo pins are expensive, actually.
That's a pogo pin. Yeah.
And it's soldered directly to they probably used solder flow. It doesn't seem to be hand soldered, but the port does.
The port looks weird, right?
Yeah, the port is not soldered, wave soldered or anything, but the actual pogo pin is. And the chips too.
Look at the cap. This doesn't look right.
Yeah, no, the cap is crappy.
Yeah.
That's not cap. It's not a cap. It's crap.
Yeah.
Actually,
Okay. It's so small. There's
a crap.
It sticks to your finger even if you don't. Even if you don't hold it.
Whoa, interesting.
Yeah, careful with the metal pieces.
Okay, I will do. So, talking about batteries, I just want to briefly talk about this other one. So,
discharge 3 amps. Wow. Through the little pogo pin. No, the pogo pin will, yeah, of course.
Holy crap, what the fuck is this?
Oh, that's a bigger battery.
yeah.
Accumulator.
Yes, so this is the one out of that jump starter.
Holy shit.
So this is a 12 volt 17 amp.
Yes, I'm thinking so, yeah. But without any further looking into this, we won't know.
This is probably half the weight of my car battery.
Sorry.
And I have a big one for the Volvo.
Okay, so it's a 12 volt 17 amp boost. It's a jump starter.
Yeah.
I've got the whole thing here. I got it from the car boot sale for €10.
So this is a lead acid starter.
Yeah, and it's got a dead cell in it, so it won't charge over 10 volts.
Have you tried blast charging it?
No, but what we have tried is we've tried putting water in, 10 mils of water in, or 5 to 10 mils of water into each cell. And it came back up for a little bit and then went back down again.
It's not the water, it's the acid. And
yeah, but if you put 5 to 10 mils of deionized or distilled water into each cell, which is what I did.
Let's see if people are old enough here. How do you revive a battery that doesn't take a charge when it's lead acid? Because I know.
You do? Okay.
Yeah.
Rich and myself draw a blank here.
I've been working on cars very long and I have gotten stuck in the middle of the forest. So, yeah.
Paul asks, it has a bad cell, shorted?
Yes, I think so, because it won't charge above about 10 volts. So it's acting like 5 cells, not 6 cells.
Exactly. So you have something called dendrite creation inside the cells, and it's shorting from one to another.
Love it, yeah.
Yeah. And one of the cells then is acting as a second plate for that.
Okay, so
Avoca says shock at high voltage.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we have a bench power supply, but somebody said, and I don't know how you could possibly do this, somebody said that if you take, because all the rubber covers come off, which is where we got the distilled water in, if you measure the voltage on the pair of plates in each cell, you can find which is a dead cell. But the thing is, how on earth can you actually I can't even say you could get the probes down there without shorting the thing out.
You don't need, you need some alligator clips and then a long pin. Pretty much.
Okay. So needle probes.
Or a screwdriver or whatever that fits in the hole.
Yeah, but you've got to measure the voltage. You can't just short the plates out.
You can't short them because one plate is in each of these. So they're.
So it's not a pair of plates. in each cell. So
No,
I
no,
thought
no.
it was.
No.
You sure?
No, they're just parallel plates near each other.
Is that right, guys? I guess each cell would have like a pair of plates.
In big batteries they do, but in these ones I'm pretty sure they just are.
Okay. Well, we can zap it if you want. I mean, what do these guys think? Shall we zap it?
Kavoka, give us a number here. Would you suggest to hit it with?
It's
Paul says shock it mechanically. So
yeah,
Wow.
that
So-
works as well.
percussive maintenance, please.
Yeah. Then
Wow!
dendrites can
So
actually.
there are people out there with headphones. Now
Oh, sorry,
that
what
are
you-
deaf. Oh man,
He
sorry.
told me to do it, Kaluka. It wasn't me. Blame Kaluka.
Blame Paul.
Blame Paul. It was him. He told me to do it.
And the dendrites can actually be broken with mechanical force, so he is correct. 30 volts is enough, actually. I usually use a welder to shock it. A low voltage welder, about 30 volts, 35.
How much current do we need?
Check voltage, please, says Anne.
Yeah, true.
It'll be about 8 or 9. That's all I can get out. I can charge it up to about 10, but once you take it back
8.
off, yeah, it goes back to 8.
Yeah, you have 2 plates that are broken.
It just goes back to 8.
I was guessing 2 volt per plate. I'm taking this off here.
Okay. What's happening in there?
There is something rattling here. So maybe one of the plates got loose and touching the other one.
Oh,
Uh, that could be.
then it's dead.
Yeah, no, but the voltage didn't change even if the rattling.
Even the rattling is still 8 volts.
I'm just checking to see if this is fixable.
Lon says, well, there's a style of charging where it pulsates, and it's
Yeah.
supposed to help the sulfates on the battery cells to come off the plates. Something along those lines. Now you're in an area
Unsulfating. Hey,
I've actually worked by this
Oh,
direction.
it lights up.
I go to the car. I have the battery charger.
Oh.
The battery tester fixer.
Okay.
Oh,
we have a battery
nice.
tester. Okay.
I'll be back in a few seconds. Oh yeah, I need the keys for.
The shutters.
Now we have a real battery tester thing.
Real
Yeah.
proper one. Hang on, let me just find the.
Yeah, we do in my car.
Pain shaker. Probably.
That's the toilet key. No, I
Yeah.
just find the key.
Yeah, Kavoka, I would say something like 14.4.
Do you know where it is?
Well, I'll let you in with them. So that's it. Got them.
No, they lost the keys.
Okay, one moment. I'll just go open the door.
I'll show you guys what's happening here. Oh, there they go. There they go. So, okay. Batteries, even more batteries. Dutch is here, get a big diode and put in the main socket and zap it with... Of course, you know. Lon says, by the way, I have a lot of boring knowledge about batteries to the product they built during Gulf War, a portable ventilator to use to be on the battlefield. You had an interesting life, my friend. Yes, I see that. Yeah, okay. I have one of these, puts a large amperage drawn on the battery for a short period of time. So the opposite, Greg. So you want to discharge this like a short circuit or something. Would work too, because this would generate a high current through all the cells, because they're in series, of course. That could work too.
When I was charging it with about, so I put the power supply on 13 volts.
Mm-hmm.
I set a current limit like 300 milliamps, and I could get it up to about 9 volts. And if I change the current up to 500 milliamps, it goes a bit more. But 1 amp, I could get it up to about 10 volts. And it's
but this is
dissipating
probably-
about 10 watts of power, so obviously somebody's going to warm up. But
Lon keeps Pre-Pro, never heard you before. Hey mate, I'm drunk lord. I had a super cool to fail testing out for M4-based work. Really handy. Oh man, I'm so sorry for you. Yeah, we got the fake, probably fake M4 on the bench too. And
oh yes, we got on the floor. Yeah,
we have maybe an idea to test this stuff too. Yeah.
some expenditure. Oh, while you guys are here, while Carlos getting the analyzer for the battery, tomorrow we actually have a live stream, which is one which is sponsored by AliExpress.
This does not charge.
So,
There's a tester.
okay. So tomorrow at 3 p.m, I'm going to do a demonstration. I'm actually going to try 5 different hot air stations. I've got the cheap, like the one, the 858D. In fact, I can show you what I have. I have another handheld one, which is about 20 euros. I have 2 different models, which are about 100 euros each. and then I have my Quick 861 DW, which is about €200. And so a 1 hour live stream tomorrow at 3 p.m. I know some of you guys are working then, or it's not good for your time zone, but because it's sponsored by AliExpress, they sent me 3 of the items. The other 2 I'd already bought, they were mine anyway. But because they sponsored it, they specified the time. Okay, cost.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
People says I had to end up using toothpaste.
Oh, the toothpaste. Yeah, the toothpaste.
Okay. Okay, so this wasn't a charger. I have a charger at home
Yeah,
somewhere.
like 3 p.m. GMT. Yeah.
Yeah, 3 p.m. GMT tomorrow. It'll be myself doing the demonstration, but definitely
Peanut butter for the thermal paste. Well, you can't beat the nice smell of Colgate.
Colgate.
The whole desk was smelling like mint, you know, not
Yeah.
like burnt electronics. Was what
That makes a change.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a battery tester. I have a charger tester at home. I thought I had that in the car, but
So you put this onto here.
yeah, you have to make sure it has good contact because it actually powers the device.
It is powering the device. So it will power the device.
Clip errors. So
It's not part of the device.
yeah, no, it has a charging port obviously, but either I'm not getting good connection, but it is getting power because it's showing something on the
Okay,
screen.
when this is inside the boost, the jump starter, if I press the battery thing, the red LED comes on to say
Ah, there
it's
we go.
low.
Yeah. Then maybe there's not enough juice to drive this. Nah,
No. Oh yeah, you
there
have
we
it.
go.
Battery analyzer. Okay. Oh, can we get this? We have it on the screen, but it's so reflective we can't see it.
Yeah, it's a crappy screen.
Okay, we have it.
Okay, so you can check it. You can use waveforms and stuff to check when it starts up and stuff.
Multimeter.
Yeah. So
Check.
So we just do a quick check for the battery.
12 volt. Please ensure the battery is 12 volt. Yes. Okay.
Yes, it is.
Quick test.
Yeah, I have one of these. It looks the
Confirm
same.
that the engine is off. Yes.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the test results will be affected.
Yeah. There is no engine. So.
Please enter the amp hour value.
We're guessing low.
We don't know.
A lot lower.
17.
17, yeah.
Yeah, it's 12 volt, 17 amp
So
hour.
let's do this. So
20. Bleep, bleep, bleep.
it's doing something.
You can see the voltage, it says 7.65.
7.66, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, no, it's not even trying to. So this is normally for cars when you're running it. You can actually do some tests with it with the car
Yeah.
running and stuff. But the other one I have is pretty much the same as this, but it has 2 power inputs. So you can actually connect it to the, I think it's 24 volts or something. And you can actually blast charge it, so the pulsing thing is other. But I can't remember where I put my other charger.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's in the garden. Oops.
Well, I was discussing with Carlos, it seems you can buy these batteries in this size, the rating, are used in e-scooters and a lot of things.
Yep.
And we think they were 30 to 40 euros.
Yeah, that's pretty much.
And considering I only paid €10 for the jump start, I think it's worth just at that price. It's worth getting the battery.
Yeah. Okay, so you have a few things you can test.
Okay.
One of the failure points is the acidity goes down.
Okay.
Hard to test, but you can actually just try pouring in some red wine.
Red wine.
And if the voltage goes up, you have acidity problem.
Does it have to be red wine?
Actually,
white wine work?
no, red wine is more acidic.
Okay.
So yeah, it has to be red wine.
Oh, okay. but not sangria.
I would actually use white vinegar.
Okay.
If you have that.
Shock it.
Yeah, Dodge
Yeah.
is still saying shock it. Yeah.
Shock it is probably the best bet to fix it because the dendrites, if they're there, they will explode pretty much in small pieces and go to the bottom.
See, I said explosions.
We thought explosions might be involved. So here are
It's
some.
not that violent, unfortunately.
We need another crocodile clip. 1 moment.
Yeah. Unfortunately, not that violent.
They have an extremely low discharge rate when they're not used. That's on the positive side.
Yeah.
I thought so.
Agreed.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have.
If I were to replace the battery, I would replace it with an AGM style battery.
Yeah.
There are many reasons for that. Just a little research on the AGM batteries. Yeah.
Yes.
Thanks,
the-
London.
Let me do.
I
Hold
would
on,
go
hold on,
Yeah.
hold on before you connect this thing up. What voltage do you want and what current do you want?
max voltage and max current.
So you want
Max voltage, really?
Yes, 30 volts is.
Okay, that is set. That power supply is set to 30 volts, 10 amps.
And I'm not going to actually do what you think I'm doing. I'm going to keep one connected, and the other one is
Oh, we need to move that can of pop.
going to get.
That's fine. I had the thing in.
Okay.
Yeah, I wouldn't recommend that energy drink. It's not that very good.
So
Is
there
this okay?
you can see the
Okay.
thing in the background. So you see what the battery will do.
So
Oh fuck me!
Nothing. Oh,
no, it will not spark.
let's go to 10, 7 amps. Okay.
Yeah, this is what the actual charge thingy does. It pulses it a lot faster than I do. So it boils off the dendrites inside.
I can see the wattage is going up to 230 watts.
Yeah.
Damn it!
240 watts. The thing's not getting hot.
No, it is actually getting hot, but it's so massive, the size.
Gavoka says 15.5 at 500 mil. So they just decided otherwise, my friend. Yeah.
No. You can do it at that, but you won't break dendrites at 15 volts. If for full charge, yes, you're completely correct for the voltage.
So hitting that with 31 volts.
Didn't you need to open up the little things?
The vents, they will pop off. If
Yeah,
you,
they got screwed on. They just little.
Yeah. Okay, the amperage went down. See?
Oh yeah, the average. Yeah, well the voltage is too high for the battery, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Now, okay, let's measure it up now.
We're not Donald Trump, any. Any gas.
So there's two outcomes here. Either it's worse, then the plates are touching inside.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's better, and then it's working.
Well, I found the illumination button on the meter so you guys can read it easier. It's saying 10.16.
Oh.
It's going downwards. It's dropping.
Yeah, but that's because the small charge I put in with this is not enough to keep it there. But it actually repaired one of the plates. Okay, let's keep it going.
So we don't want to stick it at like 12 volts.
Lon actually says, can I suggest something with a lower current? And that is to reverse polarity for like a quarter of a second. And just touch the terminals with reverse polarity.
It's a lower voltage.
Yeah.
Lower voltage!
How much lower? Wait for the guy.
Go 15 volts or something, I'd say.
Yeah.
Reverse polarity for just a couple of seconds blows off the fuzz that can build up on the plates.
Yeah.
Is it the power supply to give you a go with this? Yeah, the constant cords. Okay.
Guys, it was nice knowing you.
Are you
Yeah.
okay? Oh yeah, it actually went reverse.
It went into constant current mode.
Hmm.
Okay.
And it's sparking actually.
Okay.
Okay, and the voltage
Goes
voltage dropped.
1.2. Okay.
There we go. It's reversed. He is right about the
Okay.
sulfation.
Let me just get it so you can see again.
And then voltage dropped
Okay.
massively. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but
It's reversed.
that was expected.
It's reversed. Are you sure? Okay, it's reversed. So you can put it the right way around now.
Yeah, and then
Are you still on 15 volts at the moment?
yes, I'm going to give it some charge now.
Okay, it's charged at about 2.76 amps
Yeah, that's pretty good.
at
I'm going
15.5.
to take off one of the caps now to see if there's some bubbling.
You okay at 15.5 volts? Do you want to go down a little bit?
No, that's fine.
Voltage won't be the problem.
No.
Because this
that is the
this
charge.
can't current limit. Okay, we don't have a current limit. Okay.
There is a current limit, which is at 10.
Yeah, this is what I meant.
And it's there's
No current limit. Yeah.
Yeah, no, but
But it's 30.
there we go. I found the cell that's broken. It had the pressure inside. This one, right there. So cells that are shorted bubble. Quite a lot.
okay.
I'm just going to.
Sorry, I think we can't see this.
You
No,
can't.
you can't see it. I hear.
Folks, don't try this with lithium ion. Paul, thank
Oh.
you so much. Yes, please.
Yeah, hell no.
Don't do this with lithium ion. This is just for this crazy stuff.
Chemical
here.
batteries.
Yeah,
Or
lead acid.
lead acid chemical.
Yeah, and the name gives it away. There's acid in there, so
Yep.
you don't want to get this on your face, your clothes, your pets, your dogs.
I'm just checking inside the cells to see if I see some violent bubbling, because it's still taking 2 amps.
36 watts it's taking.
Yeah. So it is charging.
Actually, the phone is a good thing for that because you have such a
Small, narrow
If you-
light.
if-
We have a boroscope somewhere, but I don't think it'll fit down the holes.
No, it won't. But you can actually see inside if it's a lighted boroscope.
It is. But I think it's up in one of those big boxes.
Okay,
We'll get to it.
then skip it. So these will build pressure even if the battery is good, by the way, so you know. So especially if you're charging it quite
Can you
aggressively.
say there's a plastic cover which fits over here?
Yeah, it holds down everything.
Holds everything down.
Yeah.
It clips in.
Yes, I know. Most old batteries had that. You cannot do this anymore on new batteries because they have sealed the holes,
Okay.
which is stupid. But it is actually drawing quite a bit of current, so we should be close to.
40 watts, so this should get warm.
It should. Yeah, it should get getting warm. It's still not warm though.
No, it's very heavy.
Yeah,
Oh, thermal camera will show the bad cell. Paul, this is brilliant.
that's a good idea. Yeah, and the voltage went up from 7 to 10.
We're still dropping stuff.
Yeah, it's going to drop until it gets charged completely.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, and that's normal.
Thermal
Let's
camera,
see,
did
let's
you say?
see. Yeah.
Thermal camera. I have my phone.
You got your phone, yeah. So
Yeah, that works.
that's a brilliant idea, Paul.
Good idea.
Yeah.
Very good. I haven't thought of using the thermal camera for that purpose. I actually find a new
Oh,
version
Chris
of the...
says you can use a flame to check if hydrogen is being given off.
Yeah,
Yeah, he's right. Absolutely.
he
yeah.
is absolutely
Does the
right.
same work for poison dog farts?
Ah,
Probably-
okay.
Probably-
Use a flame.
Probably
This
explodes as
was
well.
self-fulfilling prophecy or something.
Okay, let's see. I don't see any hotspots except for... Oh yeah,
Where?
Oh yeah.
there
What?
actually is one. That one.
That one which you said was the one which was...
Yep, that is actually a hotspot right there.
Can we move it? Okay, can you move the camera a little bit further away so we can just see?
So...
Oh yeah, so there's a hotspot at this end somewhere. Here.
Yeah, those are... Oh yeah. No, that's the terminal. This one is getting...
Okay.
Lon
Yeah,
says,
and
get
it is
rid of the fuss. The key thing is the current. Don't go crazy with it. And the same thing applies to different battery chemistries. But they all can develop this fuss over time. So
Yeah. Yeah, I don't like lead acids.
And I thought this was would all settle
Yeah.
at the bottom because
there we go.
Yes.
Those two are shorting.
Yeah, the glowing and the
Yeah.
one at the end.
Yeah, the one at the end is not very
The
happy.
other end.
yeah,
Oh yeah, that one's
that one isn't happy.
that one's not happy either.
What was if I take the voltage down to about more like 13.5?
Yeah, that's what they usually run
ID
at.
shown says Kavoka Design. Yeah, we know this is Carlos' fake ID. We always use this.
Yeah, no, the ID doesn't have any
Yeah.
relevant information.
Don't Google him. Agents will come and kill you.
No, you can. I really don't care. There's nothing, no good information.
So
there.
we can see this battery is bad. We can see straight away the cells.
Yeah, the cells are bad, and what we didn't help it because otherwise that wouldn't happen.
Okay.
Okay.
So no, dead battery. You can fix it if you open it up and clean the plates and make sure they are not touching and stuff.
If it's possible to get one for like 40 euros.
It's not worth it.
And I've seen them online at that. Do you think they sell these up at the place in Altabora? Is that where you get it from?
They do.
Yeah. Yeah, you mean the MM Racing?
MM Racing.
Yes,
Maybe we'll have
yes,
these.
they do.
So if I gave you some money, because you tend to be the Spanish speaker.
Unfortunately, not. I have way too much to do this week.
No, it doesn't have to be this week.
Okay,
Yeah,
then
yeah.
I can go.
You need to take care of
Yeah.
more important things. yes.
Yeah, lawyers and shit. I'll explain when I got it sorted.
Okay. So, okay.
Okay, so
No,
unfortunately, you cannot fix this easily. If you watch some, I think, videos from India, they show you how to fix those. They pop off the top,
Yeah.
remake the tabs. And,
Drink some of the liquid.
I wouldn't surprise me.
With Red Bull.
Yeah.
Yep.
But
gives you layers.
they usually make them work again by remelting the plates and stuff. But it's so much work.
Okay.
But it's worth it over there, I would say.
That's an interesting way to store these.
Yeah.
I never do this way.
So if I give you 40 euros, it doesn't have to be this week when you're around there, could you?
Yeah. I'll let you know when I can get there. Oh, money!
If you get any more than that,
Yeah,
is
yeah.
that okay? Just let me know.
Yeah. I have a little bit of money left at least.
Okay. Right.
The lawyers are not cheap.
Okay. So the
That's
airframe.
a cool sound. Wait, I need to record this.
Guys!
Musicians.
Sorry.
Holy crap. Oh yeah, that's what you're talking about.
Oh, everything went off. I saw.
Is this?
Well, don't do it then.
Okay, I found a way to turn off the
What are
stream.
they doing here?
Okay,
Crap.
so I'll just tell you about this. I have the other piece of it. So
Oh crap. Air fryer.
Yeah, so this is, that also comes off
Can
the
you
front
shut up
of
for a
it.
second? Thank you.
So this is a Secotech air fryer. And it doesn't power up, it doesn't come on, you don't get any display on the front.
One of those expensive ones.
Yeah, no, it's only about €100. I've got the receipt what she paid for it. So she asked me, can we fix it? Now, some of these have like a trip, so that when you put the tray in,
Yeah.
it activates some sort of.
Yeah, security thing.
But this doesn't appear to have one. I've got the bottom of it. There's no wiring down there. There's no sensors that I can see. When I plug this in and measure the current, so I use a little adapter, this draws like 40 milliamps, which doesn't sound like a lot, but something is drawing about, I think it was 11 watts it works out at.
That's control chip.
Yeah, so inside there is a PCB, which has obviously a little power supply thing on. Yeah, these are the screws. So this is the bottom. I've got the bottom.
Yeah, I was going to ask.
I have the bottom off. And what?
You have the bottom off?
I have the bottom off.
Luckily he doesn't.
This comes out.
That's a pretty big tray.
Pretty big tray.
Let's see.
If you have a look, I'll just tell you. The PCB
Is up here.
I'll show you where the PCB is.
You can see.
If you get this off, so I've tried to dismantle this, and I can't get the thing apart. That's the truth of it.
Well, it's kind of.
No, this does come out.
That is riveted on there.
No, it comes out. I don't know why.
As an entire piece, okay.
Yeah, I don't know why it's just stuck at the moment, but it does come out. And when it's out, you can see. Yeah. So this is how I measured the current it was drawing. I got my clamp meter
Okay, on one of the wires.
on one of the wires, which you can see.
And you want to reach the PCB that goes
So
up.
the PCB is up here.
Yeah. Okay.
And I can see by looking in through here, there are 4 screws that hold this top on. It doesn't clip off. There are 4 screws, but you can't get to the screws.
You're wondering how to.
How to get apart?
Okay. Let me take a look.
How to take this apart? And any tools, just let me
Do
know.
you need to take out the heating elements first? That's the question.
But how can you get that? Hey, okay.
I can.
Okay.
I already see I can. There are 4 screws for each heating element. I need a small screwdriver though. What type of screw is that? Is that a Torx or something?
Yeah, what I have done.
Yeah, that's probably low enough.
You see this? I've got all this loose.
Yeah.
I thought maybe this kind of came off, but
And no, considering this is molded as one piece, you will need to pop off the
trying
front
to get as
first.
many people can see.
Maybe we can pop off the front first. This one.
Yeah.
It looks like it has clips. Okay, let's try that first.
So what do you need tools? You got a screwdriver kit?
No, the spudger.
Sponges and
I don't want to ruin your client's air fryer too much. Yeah, that looks to be clipped on. So you see these small holes here.
okay, so this here,
Yeah.
that's where that thing was attached. So I managed to get that off,
Yeah, that's a good thing.
but I still
because
can't get anywhere.
the clips can still be using the same.
Full English breakfast. Yes.
Okay, so spudgers, plastic ones first, and then I go for
That's a hard plastic one.
and one of these.
That's
No,
on.
that's not the one I wanted. There.
This is a hard plastic one.
First, I'm just going to check with this, see if there is a gap.
I couldn't get that thing off. I tried.
Ah, it does move.
But-
Okay. Never force plastic too much. Yeah, it does separate. So.
Car wash and never force stuff.
Yeah. I know. I'm the last person.
So there's a display which is behind it.
Yes.
Oh, Eric. Hey, mate. Good evening.
So is the PCB.
Okay. No, the PCB is not. The PCB is
Is on the
flat under this cover
Yeah.
here. That's where the PCB
If you can
is.
take out the display forward, then
Right.
you can reach the PCB. Okay, let's see if I can. Yeah. Taking apart video games for so long
Okay.
gives you a 6 cents for clips. It's because Microsoft is our assholes and puts clips everywhere. This is actually screwed on, I think.
Nonsense. You see the square hole where the foot basket get inserted.
Yes.
There's a micro switch in.
No, there isn't.
No,
had Microsoft fail because it's getting out of kind.
wait, maybe it's right.
I agree, but I can't see a micro switch.
It's down.
Yes, Eric, this is an air fryer.
Yes, it is an air fryer. Okay, now the only way I can pretty much
Can I
see.
show you where the PCB is? Will that help you? And the screws.
No,
Not with the opening thing.
no, not really, because it needs to go apart anyway. Let's see if I can.
Oh no, the overhead doesn't work at all. Sorry.
Okay, yeah, the top is screwed down, so that's a no-go.
There were four screws which go. There's the PCB.
I'm going to try to see if I can see the. Yeah, I can see the PCB.
I get your
It's
torch.
down there somewhere. Let's see.
Here you
In
go.
there, down here. There.
Yeah, where Carlos fingers lives.
Yeah.
What?
Oh Jesus Christ, my eyes.
Oh, I'm trying to get onto.
Richard is torturing us.
I'm trying to get onto the front one.
Yeah, it doesn't
There.
matter. Yeah, there we go. After 15 tries. Yeah, there we go. Green PCB.
There's the PCB.
Okay, so there are screws down here that's attached top, so you can't rip that off.
Yeah, that's the PCB. If you come towards the corner of there, you'll see the heads of the screws.
What I wanted to see with the light is if the actual front panel has screws. Because if it does, the PCB goes all the way to the front panel, I can see that. And I see a PCB on the front panel, that's not weird at all. Actually, it has screws. Okay, so we can't rip it off either from the front.
No.
So we have to take off the elements. Okay, my
Orion says AXA would open it 100%.
Yep.
And I'm inclined to say yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
client wouldn't be too happy, but
I'm in for 20.
okay, let's fix this. Okay, and put this in here.
And we can get a camera maybe.
Yep, that was the idea.
You got the easy part here. You're sitting there looking pretty, and we're doing all the work here.
I'm holding this.
I'm the pretty one.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. I spent an hour trying to get this thing apart.
And 1.5 hour in makeup.
Yeah. And I couldn't get this thing apart.
Yeah, no, the most obvious.
I do agree about there's supposed to be a sensor or an optical sensor, but I guarantee there definitely is not a sensor on this one.
Or sensor somewhere.
Well, on some of them,
Could
if the
lift
tray
the-
isn't in, the display won't light up. Plus, why is it drawing 40 milliamps anyway?
Well, the
When
whole
it's-
sensor can live behind the plastic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But when the thing isn't on, the display isn't on, why is it drawing 40 milliamps?
Oh, you know what? I don't care.
Could be one of the control chips that need
Yeah.
power.
Yeah,
So
you're putting so much work into
Yeah,
this.
but it's 11 watts.
What's this? Something like an air fryer like this cost? I think
100.
100 euros.
Okay.
Yeah,
I actually bought a similar one.
She actually gave me. I have the receipt with it somewhere in the box. 100 it cost.
This screwdriver sucks.
Looks like it, yeah.
Do I have another tip? For
Why do I want you to fry air? Says Monte Carlo.
Yeah,
could be
that's
a
a good
question.
question.
Do I
That could
have
be a
another
que-
tip for this because this is too pointy.
I will find.
That's a question I would ask too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do
So-
this have to be back together? And this would be my next question, Anne. Absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah. Otherwise, I just would hack it apart pretty
Yeah,
much.
yeah.
Oh, there we go. I got some bits from Rich, the good ones.
I fix it, kid.
Yeah. This is.
This is Detlef's actually. Thank Detlef.
Oh, it's the same size, perfect. And I actually need a wider tip because it's slipping,
Yeah.
and you can round off screws quite easily
Yeah.
if you're not careful. That's the big ones. Small.
Fried air.
Yeah, I wonder about that.
Yeah, they do fried milk here.
What?
Yes.
What?
Yeah,
Oh.
leche frita.
Fried milk. That's what we would call meringue. No, it's egg,
Yeah,
isn't it?
it's not meringue.
Is it not?
No, it's like a flan, I think.
Ah.
Okay, it's the same.
Oh, is it a bit like creme brulee?
Yeah, it's very similar, but it just tastes like milk. It's horrible.
Yeah.
I wouldn't buy it.
It's like gofio. That's pretty.
Yeah, that's horrible too.
I think you've got your keys
oh,
on
the
there.
keys.
Oh.
I forgot them. Sorry, Rich.
Deep fried Mars bar.
Yeah,
What
Vigo,
the heck?
welcome.
Gracias.
Grazie.
Yeah, I forgot your keys, Rich. Sorry.
Okay.
They didn't get stolen.
Yeah, so
I did close them.
I just explained to you guys who are watching this. So I met Carlos out to get that battery analyzer. I said, "There's the key in the shutter." So it's my car keys with the keys on. My van's parked just outside. So the shutter's been open, I guess. With the
No,
key.
no,
The shutter was closed, but the keys were in there for about like 20 minutes. But nobody stole them all. That's why I assume the van's still there, because the keys are still there.
Yeah. No, the guy that came in is from the
Church.
The church, the Happy Clappers.
Oh, the Happy Clappers,
Yeah, they have keys in here too. That's why he could get the keys.
yeah.
Okay.
And then realised the keys were in there.
I don't think I need to take off both sides at least.
Okay.
Take off one side so I can get the screwdriver in and take off the screws from the top.
And this is how the thing comes apart.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
This is crazy. What do you guys think? It's just madness.
Because of the heating elements are actually wired there
Okay.
and they're not fixed.
Okay.
This should just pop off.
Did ChatGPT help?
Okay, so it's fighting me. Oh no way.
What?
The fan is actually stuck to the bottom. Yes, the fan is a separate assembly.
Okay.
Huh. Okay, no then.
So you can't get in that way?
There are screws down here.
Okay.
So in there.
Okay. Where?
Down there.
The screws down in there.
Huh. What does that hold? Is that this for the fan? Yeah, there's something screwed in from the bottom here. Let's see if I can get you.
Well, Dutch, I think this compact form. There is no way to do this better.
Yeah.
I think I don't know this because I'm not a mechanical engineer.
Yeah. So there's something screwed from the bottom up. So I'm pretty sure that's the fan.
It says you need to lock the fan off with a big screwdriver, then undo the central nut.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
How do you get a big screwdriver in there?
No, you need something for the nut here. I don't think this one
I don't
fits.
have any light in there.
No.
I do.
Yeah, make yourself useful.
I will.
Hold the lights.
There. Is that okay?
So I'm lights.
No, it's
Jeff is camera. and-
give
Yeah.
this to Richard. Give this to Richard, so he should do the thing with the lightning.
Okay.
No,
So,
but he's got the lighting just
okay.
right.
So they are saying keep the fan still with your one finger maybe, and then put in a small wrench and take this off, and then
Oh
it
my
will
God.
come with it. And they're right. And this is loose.
Shouldn't have to remove the fan to open, says Kavolka.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure
Yeah.
you're right, but
And Paul agrees.
the fan is not loose inside. It's actually bolted to the top of the machine. So I thought this was a complete assembly, but it's not.
Oh, I see. So yeah, he's probably right that the fan needs to come off.
Yeah, the fan is not connected to the actual.
Yeah, but
plate.
it holds down the whole assembly. So,
Yeah, so this needs to
yeah.
come off.
yeah. Ugh.
So wrench.
Well, you know, have luck, have fun.
We don't have any wrenches.
I'm going home now.
No.
No.
Well, not to hand.
And I don't see any.
Cartho, I don't know if this is stupid design. It's probably the most compact they can come up with.
Yeah,
And-
for a double.
And for something like a kitchen appliance, they don't want to spend more space than they can get. Yeah.
Yeah, no,
I don't know
that is true.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it was that hard. That would make it very difficult to assemble. And surely that's not good for cost.
I don't know. I have no idea.
It's not. It depends if they.
Can I just show you where the screws are, which hold the
No, I saw them,
top on?
but show them to the viewers.
Yeah. So if we can get this top off,
Yeah.
Oh, top off.
if we get the top off,
That's a
then
top
the
off is always
PCB
a
is
good
just
idea.
there.
Yeah.
But what's holding that top on?
There are 4 screws.
There are 4 screws inside here, and
let's see.
and the screws go that way.
Yep. So they are.
Can we get? There are 4 screws in here.
Yeah.
Don't tell me get the camera in there. I'm trying to, mate.
Yeah. I'm trying to light it for you.
Yeah.
It's not. It's
Yeah.
not bad. The
You
PCB.
just
they're
said
more
that-
in the corner.
It's on this side.
Yeah.
No, the
Commanding
screw-
everything,
the screws
everybody
are in the
around
corner
you.
somewhere.
Yeah. No. You're not getting that.
Paul says a top price off.
It doesn't.
Wi-Fi opens from the top, hidden screws under the mud.
Okay.
You try.
Let's try.
I've tried getting this top off. It's held on with. I can see the screws which hold the top on.
Yeah, but it could be a double top. It can have.
Okay, you for it.
One.
top.
Yeah, no, he can be right because I see a seam. I didn't want to do that first.
Can I just mention this is how I broke my big spudger trying to get the top off this?
Yeah. No, but I'm not going to force. I'm just going to. Ah.
Oh,
I tried this.
Okay, let's see here.
you did this right.
Okay.
Yeah, go on.
Okay. I'm inside. Let's see if there's clips here. No, there are no clips. These are screws.
Yeah, in the corners. And the screws come that way.
Yeah, these are screws. Here.
Yes,
here.
and you can't get to them.
Yeah. Yeah. No. Then the only option is taking off the entire assembly on each side.
Isn't worth it.
That
worth
sounds
it.
horrible.
Isn't worth it.
No, that sounds horrible.
Yeah.
I don't see anywhere else. Let's see. Plastic. This is unibody
This thing.
around the entire thing.
No, there seems to be a gap there.
Yeah, but
Like this whole side thing comes off, but
are you sure?
I'm not sure.
No, that's a mold line.
That's a mold line.
Yeah. If you cut it here, you can get it off.
So
Yes, Frank.
yeah, this
It's
whole
rubber
top,
duct, yes.
I can't get a
If you can get this off, the front glass,
Yeah.
you can slide it off with the PCB and everything, and you don't need to do the thing.
Well, you managed to dislodge that corner, but
Yeah, this one does flex. Okay, give me just a few minutes more, otherwise we skip to something else.
okay.
I don't want to bore you, the viewers either.
Carboca says the shiny front pops out. It should.
Yeah,
So this is what you're just trying to do.
yeah, that's what I was trying to do at the beginning. Oh, there is an opening. Yeah. Okay. Yes.
Ah,
Okay, I was right from the beginning. I don't want to force break it. That's the
No.
only thing. Ah, there we go. Stupid. What the hell was
This is
that?
my phone.
Okay.
I got a snippy phone now.
it sounds like a dog fart.
I thought you had a Furby there somewhere.
No, I got a me phone now.
Oh no. Oh no. We lost Detlef, guys. He's gone to the dark side. Hopefully he's not turning into furry now as well.
I love the idea.
That is not coming off.
Yeah. This side. Okay, I'll just turn it around and start from here as well.
Yeah, I see what you're doing. Oh, there's clips. There's two clips here.
Yeah, there are clips. Ah, there we go. And just start from this side. Maybe I can dislodge the last clip.
Ah.
There we go.
Now maybe we get somewhere.
Okay. And one of the PCBs is connected to this. Okay, there are more clips. Yep.
Not made to.
I think
yeah.
pulls towards you.
Yeah.
Yeah, not made to be repaired. Yes, unfortunately. Yes.
Yeah, most things aren't these days. Video games and stuff is the same.
But I'm guessing
Ah,
this is a
the
price you
entire
play,
piece, yeah.
play when you
Something old is
don't want
Yeah.
to see screws everywhere.
There are no screws there, right?
I removed the screws.
Yeah, no.
The worst screws, and I removed them.
Yeah. No.
But they were all hidden, so this is the thing.
I'm just trying to see where the clips are so I can pry them. This is
Yeah, Chris,
there.
no user serviceable part
Yeah,
inside.
I see where it is.
I'm sure I can fix the vault if I can get the thing apart.
That's actually the same thing for most things, right?
Yeah.
I can fix most things as well if I can get it apart. But most things are not built to go apart anymore, unfortunately. No, it's not there. It's here.
It's there.
Up here. Okay.
I didn't think.
There.
So you can see after an hour why I couldn't get this thing apart.
Yeah, no.
And thought, if anybody can do this, it's Carlos.
Yeah, disassembled quite. Okay, no, I'm going for metal.
Yes, at last. Where's your guitar?
I have something that might be very useful to you. Can I just give you something that might be very useful to you?
Yeah.
The metal, the opening to this thing.
Oh yeah, I bought myself 2 or 3 of these.
That thing.
Yeah, these are actually very good.
We can show the guys what this is that Carlos is using. It's got numbers like GBA.
GB5A.
Guys, I had such a nice shot there.
GB5.
Now I ruined this. Don't quit your day job.
No, no, here. Okay. So I know there's a clip here and here, or screws inside. That would be evil.
Okay.
Clips around and there's 2 screws here would be really evil.
MX4 coming next, guys, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah, this is Big Clive's budget. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, Big Clive uses the same one.
Yeah, he uses.
Oh, Big Clive got one of those.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're very useful, those. They are a very useful tool.
Kavoka suggests a big clip in the middle. I think this is just what you're fighting with.
This one, you mean?
Press in, he says.
Yeah.
Could be an idea.
Actually, he's probably right. Yeah, it's moving. So
No.
no, but there's something.
This is all attached to this piece.
Yeah. This
This comes off with it.
is that.
Is there a screw under that little cover in the middle? I think. You see where this is?
Yeah.
Is there a screw?
Flat driver,
No, you,
yeah.
no, you
Yeah, that's what I was using before, and it worked almost. So, okay, I'm going to use the flat driver in combination with this. I felt a clip right here. There.
Can't you go brute force? Just
I can
try it out.
probably. Like I said, it's not mine. Otherwise, I
Yeah.
would.
Well, it doesn't work now, so
It's dead now at the moment, but
what? Me?
yeah, it doesn't work.
There's the clip. There. Oh,
Oh.
I got one off. I need another of these.
I've only got one of those. I'm afraid.
Yeah, I bought 3 of
The
them.
cover hides all the mess. Yes.
Oh, come on.
There's just one thing. Here, all these on now.
Yeah. Let's see if I can clip it off.
So this is the Big Clive technique.
Force it. There is a clip there, yeah? Or a screw. It's so tight.
Get
And
kids to help, they understand new technology. Yes, absolutely, Paul. Yeah. Actually, we should teach the next generation doing this kind of stuff, because nobody will do this in
no,
30 years.
robots will take over this job.
Oh, we're off.
There we go.
Well, I can see AI figuring this out.
Don't get the ribbon cables off the front display.
No. I'm trying. I'm being gentle.
So AI could figure this out.
It will eventually. It will.
No, I don't.
We're off.
Yes. And you can reach the PCB from here. And on the front screws, look how many screws they put on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How are you supposed to get that off?
That's why that top won't come off.
Oh wait,
There's 2 more.
no.
7, 8.
The top goes
Yeah.
off here. There are clips.
They're clips. Yeah, this is what I thought. You should be able to remove the top.
By pushing them clips inwards.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
Can you, this is soldered.
let's see. Yeah, these are clips. Oh, and it is the top. Okay.
Sorry, I can't film this any better. Sorry.
Yes,
guys.
sorry guys. Okay, so we got this
Very
off.
weird
We got
to film.
information. That's good. This should come out if
Yeah.
we.
Push on them clips.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then you should be in.
Well, in that case, I can make a repair video. I can fix it.
Yeah. And from
This-
that side, you don't need to take off the heating element.
Yeah.
The heating element. Oh. You need to take off the fans.
What? I'll need to get to the PCB.
No, that's not it. The fans are screwed into
The top.
and that means if you pull down the top,
Yeah.
the fans will stop you because there's a metal
Oh.
case up here.
Can I get to the PCB from here?
Let's see if the fan motor moves. No, see, the fan is stuck to the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh wait. No, you don't need to. This is another shell. There are 2 shells.
Okay.
So the top shell that you can take off is not connected to the fans. So
Right.
you can get to it.
And then I can get the PCB.
Yeah. So you push on the one clip.
Yeah. Push the clips inwards and then
And then-
clips off.
Push down out.
Out. Yeah.
Let's see if we can do one side. Okay.
So push on the clip.
Yeah, I'm trying to remember. Sorry guys with headphones.
Yeah, another one deaf now. Fiber.
Yeah, I can feel it pulling.
There's something holding the corner, isn't there?
Yeah, but there's no clip there.
Screw?
Nope.
Okay.
There's a-
Hang on, what screws? What?
Yeah, that's a screw from the top.
From
down.
the top, yeah. So the top. I agree. The top comes off.
Yep. It
Okay.
does.
That case, this
Oh.
will be a repair video.
Yeah, I leave this
Yeah, that's what I need.
as is, so you don't need to.
That's excellent. So Carlos did get us into it
Yeah, most of the way in.
most of the way.
Here are rich screws for the pump.
So there was a bag
The
with all the
heating plates.
There's a bag with all the other screws in.
Yeah, this is for the
Heating plate. Okay. Sorry that took a while, guys.
That's how we do repairs. Get into it is half the work, or more than half in some cases.
Yeah. It's strange it's drawing that amount of current on the main, so it's dissipating about 11 watts, I worked out.
Maybe shorted the capacitor.
Yeah, there's something like that
Yeah.
wrong with it.
That's drawing too much.
Yeah, but you think it's 11 watts, something we're getting really hot, but if it's in there, perhaps you can't get to see that.
Yeah, it's probably getting hot.
Yeah, I'm thinking that. Okay,
I fix it. Here we go.
I fixed it. You opened it.
Yeah.
Is it time for beer?
Oh, I stick with my ISO drink.
Yeah, I'm going for energy drink. I haven't slept more than 2 hours a day for a month now, or 2.
So,
I get a lot of stuff done at night on my AI. I built a small box. I will be showing it here on the next live show.
yay!
You contacted it with WhatsApp, like OpenCloud. So, and it's really cool. It gets
Small what?
PCB schematics and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, I can actually build it into one this size with a ESP32.
There you go.
There you go. Okay, so MX4.
What is that?
Right.
Oh,
So-
thermal.
Thermal paste. So what? I'm just going to reproduce the experiments we did on the video.
What is this?
Okay, so what I wanted to know is, does that MX4 conduct? And it did conduct. I'm going to show you guys again. But people said this stuff is not conductive. They've even asked Arctic and they said no, it's not
It
conductive.
should not be, no?
So people are saying this stuff must be fake. Now, I don't know.
Let me look at it. I have real
There's-
at home.
okay, so this is an old one that
And
Det had from
this is real.
somewhere. That's real.
This is real. I
This
know
this is the one which I got from AliExpress. Camera.
that looks.
Man, come on. I know when to put a camera on and want to do something.
This looks.
True.
This looks real, actually.
Okay.
So this is a real one. I have the exact same ones at home, and I bought a pack for 4
How can you tell this is a real one?
Yeah.
because I bought it directly from the supplier,
Okay, okay.
and I got the same box and everything.
That's the thing, yeah.
Yeah, this one though, the box looks a bit off, but otherwise, the tube looks real.
Okay.
So let's see if we can see some telltale signs like misspellings and stuff, but that usually.
Oh, in fact, there's no authenticity check.
If
on
the
back of it.
domain is not xartic.de, the product is fake.
Well, I would clone this too. I would copy
Yeah.
this too, but I would do. thing.
That's kind of funny though.
Yeah.
But they covered the domain QR code.
Interesting. Interesting, Rich.
Well, why not just copy the QR code?
Yeah, because that is probably protected by copyright.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
The web page is
Can we
probably.
get under that? Is this covered or is this...
Oh no, it is a scratch off. No, this is real. They wouldn't go to all the trouble of making a scratch.
No, that's true, yeah.
This is way too much work.
It's
for
a
it.
scratch pad.
And
Yeah.
there's a logo on the... Okay.
Yeah, no, this is real.
Yeah.
We can zap that with your phone. We'll tell you something.
Yeah, I will. I was going to. Yeah, that will lead
All
us.
the people on the
How
screen
about
can...
you still got a bit of the scratch stuff on?
It
Yeah.
doesn't matter, it's...
Try that.
Yeah, it
all
will.
the people on the screen can do this too now.
Yep,
You can simply use the screen.
yep. There we go. I have it.
Okay, what's it say?
Open. Let's see. I don't have it on auto open just in case.
You have to put 110 euros with
Current
scratch
packaging
card.
version, quick seal, scratch seal, and enter the code.
There's a code in there.
Okay, we got the code.
Yeah.
Can we show these guys the code? 8QZ.
Okay, what do I put in the code? Enter code.
So,
Choose language. No, I want to put in the code.
okay.
Enter code.
Quick seal, it's the third option 3, enter code.
Yeah, but where do I enter the code?
Good question.
Enter code.
Enter code, okay. So, 8QZ,
You sure this is a Q?
Q.
Yeah, this is a Q.
Z,
Yes.
O,
O
GY,
G Y
SG.
S G.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
the code.
Verify.
Did it do anything?
It is doing something. It's loading.
It's loading something. Okay,
There we go. And it sent me back.
good. Congratulations.
It is real.
It's real.
And considering this is actually Arctic's webpage,
Okay.
Arctic, that this is real.
It cost about 19 or 20 euros.
Yeah, that's about the ballpark.
Access Max says it says authentic, just scanned it, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Well, you know, if I would copy the thing, I would copy the whole thing and then it would stay the same, because this doesn't feel like something complicated. So I buy one of these, get the code, copy it a million times, and I'm done.
okay, we don't
Yeah,
need
but,
these on there yet.
What gives it off is this, because every single package needs this scratch off thing that it has.
Okay.
This is expensive to do, actually.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Okay, so we don't put it.
Yeah, Arctic must be wondering why
hold
the
on.
stupid scamp all over the place now, all over the world now. Paul, you're right.
So we don't put any on for the moment. We need to get the meter on the screen.
Yep.
So this is the
Zoitech
Zoitech.
High voltage.
ZT100.
Can we get that the glare? Is that okay? I know there might be a screen light or something.
Yeah, hold in that button.
If you tilt shift it a bit, I can see this.
Okay.
You need to shift this a bit.
Yeah, there we go. Okay,
So I've clipped. Now leave it off.
yeah.
So what I've done is this is the pad where we're going to test the stuff. Okay.
Yeah, this is just like we did in the video. Yeah.
On the video. So I'm just going to do a test to make sure it doesn't arc over or conduct. Okay.
Yep.
So we go 15-second test, and then we wait and don't touch it.
Because it's 1,000 volts.
It's 1,000 volts now. Okay.
That's 1000 R. Okay.
And it'll take. It's counting 7, 8,
Okay.
9, 10. When it gets to 15. It'll take the reading. If it stays OL, that means it's more than 20 gigaohms.
Yeah.
So the pad reads more than 20 gigaohms. Okay, it's finished now. The
But
voltage is gone.
this is, we're talking about 1,000
Okay,
volts.
okay,
that
yeah.
can actually jump water and
Well, like, it's not
I would
jumping-
actually try this. Get a bit of your beer and put it on the
Okay.
tracks there.
Well, we tried this on
still
all,
water
okay.
inside.
yeah, this.
I can try that. We tried this on
Yeah.
all the other
Mm.
heatsink compounds, and they all went open.
Yeah.
And
This has a lot more metal. That's why it's more
yeah.
conductive.
So put a bit of it on there. That's not.
Yeah, no, that's more than enough. I know.
Just smear it down a bit so it's. Yeah.
Okay, don't
Okay.
turn it on yet.
Okay. So we have some on there. Okay.
Yeah.
And when we tried this, so we went into 15 seconds.
Yep.
Test.
But even diamond.
Wait, look.
Yeah.
Bleep.
No,
Bleep.
that's a.
And it's telling us it's 4 volts. You see that there? It says 004.
Mhm.
Even the toothpaste was less conductive. It was 9 volts. Okay, so when it, oh, I've set it to 1 minute by mistake.
Okay.
Let me stop the test.
Yeah.
Okay, so I set the time to 1 minute by mistake.
Give me a normal multimeter and let's try it from.
No, let me just show you try something else first.
Okay, because that doesn't seem right, you know.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is now.
This shouldn't be conductive for 12 volts and.
Okay, so we're going to set this down to 50 volts on the test. Okay, you hold this thing
Yeah,
in there.
put it so that I can see this.
50 volts. Okay.
50.
50. When it comes on, you'll see this should go to 50
Yeah.
without the blob on there. And on the video I made, it did do. So we press the button, 15 seconds,
Yep.
test. Look, even at 50 volts,
3 volts now.
3 volts, yeah. So it's conductive even at 50 volts. So we're going to try with a multimeter, we're going to try with a bench power supply, but this stuff is definitely conductive and it's genuine. Okay, right, now let's wipe that off there and we'll put some of the old stuff. Oh, do you want this? Okay.
Yeah, let's do that.
Let's do this.
Immediately.
So we're going to use a multimeter.
I just want to see how many ohms this is because
I don't think it will read anything.
it should.
Okay,
Because it's conducting.
Okay, so we switch this to the
Could
ohm.
be that it needs a certain voltage to.
Yes, 3
to
volts.
conduct.
It's telling us
Yeah.
it needs 3 volts to conduct.
So I'm
Yep.
guessing the multimeter will be fine.
Well,
Yeah.
we're on ohms range. I think.
Yep.
Let me just get the lights on for these guys.
But you usually use mica and the thermal paste. Well, we tried this, Dutch, if you watched the video, and this was
No.
Look.
That was horrible.
140 ohms.
Ohms.
That's
It's conductive.
it's conductive. I would say that
100%. Right. So what I want to make sure now is. We'll switch
Carlos
on.
sitting here around with
Carlos is wiped his
yeah,
finger on.
completely
Yeah.
covered in gum.
Okay, let me
it
get
was
some-
the easiest way to remove it.
Yes, but it wasn't the most sensible way to do
Yeah,
it.
You probably need some alcohol.
Who
for
said
this.
I was sensible?
He needs some alcohol. Okay, here you go. That's alcohol, isn't it?
It's fine.
Okay.
I'm not the squeamish kind.
And you can wipe the pad as well.
Yes,
So-
I
so-
was going to.
So what I want to do now is, just out of interest, let's try the one that
the
Detlef.
real one.
Well, Detlef thinks it's real.
No, I'm sure this is
What
real.
do I know? Yeah,
Well, according to the test, the other one's real.
Yeah, but this is the old kind.
Okay, let's smear.
That's what I use for my
It is a
CPU.
smear, save you your finger.
Okay. Go.
Okay, so that's the old one.
Yes.
Right, now let's try it with the multimeter then, if you like.
Yes. First multimeter.
Across the tracks.
Can somebody point them?
Yeah, no.
It's conductive.
It's
Sorry.
It's mega ohms though.
Oh, it's mega ohms.
1.5 meg is something different. Yeah.
Instead of what was it?
140 ohms.
140 ohms.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's.
And I say this is pretty repeatable because the distance between the tracks stays the same. Yeah.
Exactly, and then we'll go back to the.
That little via. What's that connected to?
Oh, there's no components on here, it just goes to the side.
This is
Okay,
just
okay.
tracks beside it. So.
Yeah.
Okay, if you really want
This
to
is
know.
from the old.
Yeah,
old
just in case.
They breakout boards. For,
Okay, then it's fine. I was just thinking maybe.
well, we did a test without the guns on,
Yeah.
and we also tested all the other heatsink compounds, and they read.
Yeah.
Oh well.
No, just for clarity for
Okay.
everyone
Yeah, true,
else
yeah.
and
Agreed.
myself.
So we'll go this into 1000 volts again. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I leave my hands off.
Please do.
Time set 15 seconds. Test.
1 volt. 4 volts.
4 volts.
Same.
Well,
It
3,
is.
4. It's conductive.
We put it down to 50 because
Okay,
at 1.5 mega ohms it will probably.
Okay, when it goes down to 50,
Yeah.
what's the end of it?
Can't you?
Hey, Joshua.
It's finished. Okay, so we get down to 50.
50 is the lowest, right?
On this one, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, we go 15 seconds. Test.
3 volts. Same.
Same.
So it is conductive.
This conducts.
Yeah.
So whoever contacted Arctic,
Yeah.
who said this is not conductive, will you please contact them again and show them this live stream?
Yeah.
And these are the results we get. So it's genuine.
This is conductive, even if it is mega ohms.
Maybe you want to get in touch with Arctic.
I'm
Because,
happy to get in touch with you.
because this is the thing, you know.
This is important because people can put this on CPUs that are actually running, and then when they squish it out, it goes out to the
Oh,
sides
so yeah.
and touches the capacitors, the
Correct.
resistors, and stuff.
And GPUs, it's squishing on the
I
side.
actually have this on my CPU right now.
Yeah.
I
Me
mean,
too.
Dutch saying beginners for CPUs. Sorry,
Mm.
it's for CPUs that won't short to ground with a heatsink, so a totally different use case. But yeah, you know, why do they say it's not conductive?
No, and
Yeah, this doesn't make sense.
no, and my CPU has components on the top,
Yeah.
small resistors and stuff
Yeah.
all around it.
Yeah.
And
Freebox man, yes, this is MX4.
I actually have the email from someone who emailed me about this, and he copy pasted the email from the manager at Arctic,
yeah,
who said it is not conductive.
it should not be. No,
Okay.
that is one of the selling points.
So what I think I would like to do, okay, I'll get in touch with Arctic and say, look,
maybe the batch.
this is the results. This is the results again. This is the genuine test. And
when we have two different
Yeah,
tubes,
two different
about
tubes.
10 years apart.
Yeah, and I will ask very nicely to Arctic, will you please send me a tube of MX4 so we can repeat the experiment?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think that's the only answer.
because we scanned the QR code. This is our old one,
Yes.
a really old one. It's about 10 years old. The ones I have.
Agreed. Yep. So what do these guys out there think?
Can we try the experiment I had in mind with the LED?
Can we light an LED through that?
Yeah, because what I was suggesting
with this one, you
With this one with 100 ohms, yeah, we can.
just grab a 9-volt battery
Yeah.
and an LED.
Well, we'll have to use the power supply at 9 volts.
And
We
let's
don't have a
see.
battery.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't have a battery, but we have a power
Okay,
supply.
let's get another blob of this one on there. Then.
Yeah. Well.
So you want an LED?
Powering LEDs through thermal
Yeah,
paste.
yeah. What's up, nerds? The fixer. Hey, mate. Yeah. Wisconsin, USA, in the middle of Snowmageddon.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
we're cold too. We have 22 only today. Yeah.
so if you have CPUs with components on top, don't use MX4 just yet. Then
Well,
I'll have.
I'm not going there because I'm really interested because I never expected this. You know.
No, I didn't
Yeah.
too because it does say it's non-conductive on the
Yeah.
on the advertisements and stuff.
Yeah.
Right, so there's an LED, so the red is the positive.
Okay.
No, sorry, the long lead.
Tim is
the red.
actually right. We have a 3.7 battery somewhere here.
Yeah. Well, we have the power supply.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do not power it with this.
Don't.
I don't want to shock myself with 1,000 volts either.
Nope, it's not fine.
No, it hurts. It hurts a lot.
Okay.
How many volts?
9. Dead
Yeah.
set.
We're going for, say, something like a battery, so you can't check this with anything. You know.
Well, this will just blow the LED, won't it? It's 100 ohms, 9
You know?
volts.
We never know if you're gonna try it, right?
What?
It has resistance.
Okay, let's do it. Let's go for it. So,
Give me a sec.
no,
we need to connect
no,
that.
no.
No.
You leave that on there, the blob. That's
Yeah.
your resistor.
Yeah.
Okay, so what you do is
One of those here.
one of those connects to your LED.
They're over here.
I brought some crocodile.
I show you what we're doing here.
Yeah,
here's some
sorry
crocodile-
for the confusion.
Here's some crocodile clips.
No, there we go.
Okay, so
There's crocodile clips on here.
Oh yeah, they're
but
already.
we need another crocodile clip
Yeah,
to
we
make the circuit.
You don't.
Yes, we do.
No.
No.
Look,
can hold it
let
in
me
your-
show you. You
You
see,
can hold this in your hands.
positive.
Yeah.
Okay, this goes to your LED. Would
Yeah.
you want it to go to the resistance? Shall we go to the resistance?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, that's your positive, yeah?
Mhm.
Then the negative end of the blob,
okay, yeah.
we now need a crocodile clip
Yeah,
to
yeah,
attach
yeah.
it to the LED.
Okay, yeah.
How else are you going
can
to
just-
attach it to the LED?
you can just-
Simply hold it together. You don't.
Okay.
You don't hold this for hours.
Yeah, that's fine.
So that-
Okay, let's do it correctly
So
then.
this goes to the positive end or the long leg on the LED.
You cut them both.
No, they didn't. This one's the long one.
You sure?
Absolutely. It's longer than the other one.
Yeah.
And then the short one
Goes to the other clip. Yeah.
goes to the other clip, and then it should light. So let's see if it lights. Yeah.
Go.
A second.
Ready?
Nothing.
Oh, interesting.
It doesn't light. So
There's something different happening here.
And it's 9 volts. And
Is
there's
it- is
no
it-
current.
Is the LED the right way around?
try the other way around by all means.
Yeah, that.
The long leg.
Just saying.
Yeah. He did cut both legs very short.
Okay.
No, nothing.
Nothing. Okay.
Is that LED okay?
Yeah, is the LED okay?
Interesting.
Okay, so.
Well, there's no
let's
resistor, so you can't just test the LED or blow the LED.
No, of course not.
Okay. Try.
Okay, test the LED on the meter, multimeter.
Yeah,
And
that's
diode.
what,
Yeah,
that's
that
true,
was
that would
the
Yeah.
idea.
There's your
I was not
multimeter on
I was
diode
not
mode.
Diode mode. Yeah.
suggesting you.
Again, it's not on diode mode at the moment. You have to press a button to function. Now it's on diode
Yeah.
mode.
No, is that diode mode?
Yeah.
I think it's a red one.
It is a red LED. Oh, this is no, it's on continuity mode. Let me go.
Yeah,
again.
yeah.
Now it's on diode.
Yeah, no, yeah, and it is lighting
It
up.
does light up.
So the LED is fine, and we didn't see
Could we
anything.
put the meter?
Have we got a dodgy crocodile
connection?
clip lead
Yeah, probably
or something like that?
because that's conductive, and
We know it's conductive.
that should actually okay.
Okay, okay. Measure with your multimeter across.
Short. Yeah.
Measure with your multimeter across that again to make sure.
It is conductive now. Oh yeah, right. Resistance.
Compass range.
I think you're on continuity range. Yes. This
Now
is
it's mega ohms.
same mega ohms.
Okay.
Oh, weird. When I smeared it down with my finger, it was a lot higher. Wait, let me cover it.
140 ohms.
It's not even connected. So.
No, it's because no.
Rich can see this. Come on.
No, it's mega ohms now.
Okay.
Maybe we got a patch with dried out thermal paste. The top layer. Of this?
Completely unconclusive.
Yeah. What the hell is happening now?
Yeah. I don't know.
The leads even
No,
have some
okay.
resistance. Wait, what?
What's this is the weeds.
Okay, now
Reads are fine.
now it's fine. Yeah, it was showing 100. No, now it's 6.6 mega ohms. That should
Which
not.
I would say is not conductive.
So is it when we put the high voltage through it becomes conductive?
Yeah, that could be.
It will stay in
Yeah,
the
let's
low
try.
ohms.
Let's try. So
Let's try to electrify it.
electrify together with the what? Okay.
Yeah, there are materials that actually get conductive at certain voltages, and they stay that way.
That's what I'm thinking.
So it's not unthinkable.
Okay. So
Just give me a sec.
I will do. I'm
before-
not going to start it yet.
No, I don't want the clips too close to me.
Yeah, I'm going to start. I'm going to put the lights on.
I've run 1,000 volts through my arm. I don't
Right,
want
the
to do
lights
that again.
on. So we're going to go 15 seconds. Okay.
Right.
Test.
3 volts.
3 volts.
But now we measure it with.
Well, yeah, well, let it finish the test,
yeah, of course.
and then we measure it again.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, it was the same at 50 volts though. I agree it was the same at 50, so we'll do exactly the same what we did before. We'll go to 50.
Mhm.
We'll go again.
3 volts, yeah.
3 volts, okay, and then we'll measure the resistance with the multimeter on resistance range to see what it reads.
Paul, I think Paul is on the right thing here. Low voltage doesn't creep.
True.
Yeah, so this could be a thing that we just each
Okay.
single point is conductive in the A3 test.
So we now take the
Cross,
multimeter.
Yeah, but 9 volts is not low voltage.
I think 9 volt probably is too low.
Yeah, maybe.
Well, it reads about 3.
we can screw it up until it
Yeah, we go to
Yes.
30.
conducts. See.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah. Disconnect.
Disconnect the.
It's off, it's switched off.
Yeah. No.
It
but
doesn't
I
matter. They don't want to skew the.
We're
Yeah,
disconnected.
exactly. I disconnected one of the sides. No, it's mega ohms now. No. Oh well. What?
No, you haven't.
Ah, there we go. No. Yeah. No. It's outside the range. Now it got less conductive. What? Something. Ah, there we go.
4.7K.
How? How is it changing so much?
Yeah, how is
Hey,
it
we found a
changing?
random number generator. Nice one.
5.2K.
What the hell? It's going up. Huh?
Hey, interesting.
So it.
So rub it with a little spatula again,
Yeah.
and then measure it again.
Can we measure the
Yeah, yeah,
current
just
that's
rub it
flowing
around a bit.
through the thing?
Yeah, that
We could
was
do.
my next thought. See the current draw.
What happens to the reading now?
Huh?
That reads open.
Yep.
Joshua suggests get a second LED in series to raise the voltage a bit.
Ah.
I think we simply can go for measuring the current.
Wait, I'm just going to bunch up a bit more. So there are patches of conductive elements to it. Yeah, it's not conductive anymore.
Pasted are made to
Okay,
isolate a high voltage.
so if it's not conductive
No, no.
anymore, then if I put the high voltage tester on, you guys, it reads open.
It should.
Okay.
I don't think so.
Yeah, no.
I don't
This
think
is
so. either.
arcing. This is arcing over the tracks.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
not on. It's not on at the moment, by the way.
Yeah, thanks.
It's just
I appreciate it.
If you only
It's just
touch one,
ready, okay?
if you only touch one, nothing happens.
No,
15 seconds go.
but it can actually jump
Oh, no,
a few centimeters.
No, if you only
It's saying 4
touch one,
volts
it doesn't
now.
matter. It's galvanically disconnected.
Yeah.
It's saying 4
4
volts.
So, either this is showing something wrong, or something is wrong with these.
It may be that the multimeter can't provide enough current. Shall we try the LED thing again, but turn the power
Yeah,
on?
and instead of the LEDs, let's connect a multimeter and see the current that happens.
Yeah, the current
Then we can
multimeter
check
between.
from what voltage it starts to break down.
No, there's
It's reading. Oh, it's reading ohms now. 64 ohms.
so the voltage is affecting it from the meter. Oh no, wait. Oh, yeah, it is.
Yeah, try current mode.
Yeah, it's actually conducting more now.
63 ohms.
So when you pass through the 1,000 volts, it bridges gaps inside and aligns them, I think.
Dale asked with the Alien Tech meter light in diam mode. It probably would have the same thing that we haven't seen right now.
63 ohms should light a LED or
Well,
pass current or
let's
whatever.
try.
you just you
Well,
can
connect the LED again. I'll ramp up the voltage on the bench power
indeed,
supply.
we can
to big
ramp up the
lights.
voltage and see when it breaks down.
So it
Yeah.
makes out. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
This is really, really crazy stuff.
So the voltage is actually inducing conductivity after a
Yeah,
while.
something like this. There's some arcing. I would say
Okay.
the arcing is induced.
Okay, then the LED.
Because
is
what we
here.
see
You want
here-
the crocodile cut lady be easiest?
Yeah, this time with crocodile clip is
and then we'll just ramp up the voltage.
30 volts won't kill me.
And you have the polarity rise on the LED with the red lead to the long leg, yeah?
you don't need the LED, just put a multimeter in the series.
Yeah, I would agree with that and put current.
Current range. But
Yeah,
well, you,
current
might,
range is a bit-
you might blow the fuse in the multimeter. I'll put it on milliamps range if you want to do that.
Yeah.
And I'll connect it to the milliamps input.
That's a good idea.
I've done it.
I have blown so many fuses.
This is
forgetting to do that.
from
So,
a compound meant for
Multimeter on milliamps range.
Of course not.
And there's some current flowing.
Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, I connected.
17 or 18 milliamps is flowing through it.
Yeah. So the actual thing is not showing anything.
Yes, because it's too low for it to read.
Yeah.
Now we go 9 volts going, and
I'm going to change it up.
now I can't see the multimeter.
No, it's gone to 0 now for some reason.
Okay.
We saw 17, we saw current.
And 12 volts is usually the max for a computer. Anyway.
Well, we saw current.
Yeah, we saw current.
You can't see it now.
Briefly. Let me just check the alligator clips again, especially these dodgy ones. Okay, so it goes from here to here, then from there to this. No, wait.
What did the crowd
More
say?
conductive.
Yeah, no, that is correct.
These phantom voltages may be drive me nuts. We might need an analog Mac ohm meter. Yes.
Yeah.
Ron, yes, I'm with you.
Okay, give me a sec.
30 volts.
Nope, nothing.
Try to
So that's-
massage the thing a bit.
So 3 volts. It says 3 volts, but it's clearly not.
Yeah, but when I put it onto the high voltage tester, it conducts it, does something to it.
It's probably aligns all the molecules, so it actually bridges it.
It definitely does something to it.
Well, it's high voltage, so the pull on the margin. No, I'm not
on the
going.
metallic elements is actually.
Okay,
I have 31.5 volts. You will never have that on AC.
Yeah, I'm with you.
yeah, but if you stick that stuff under a MOSFET in the switch mode power supply,
You will still not.
600 volts to 1,000 volt pulses, yeah.
Okay, yeah, you will probably polarize it.
This was the thing that we were talking about.
Yeah.
When you got a power supply and you got
Okay.
high power MOSFETs in
I'm
there
just
that's
going
switching
to-
600 volts or something. This is why we thought this would be
I
interesting.
will just jump over the crocodile lead. Just
You're not going to blow the fuse in the multimeter, are you? By putting the current range on 31 volts.
Put it in 10 amps.
10 amps, yeah. But not.
10 amps is max.
You just killed the fuse.
max
In fact,
you're in milliamps, yeah.
No, I'm in the 10 amp mode, mate.
yeah, it's
but
He's already touched it, he's already killed the fuse.
yeah, no, the fuse is not jumped. You can see the blinking. No, it's not doing anything. It's not passing current at all.
Not passing. Oh, sorry, I didn't realize it was still on the second. Okay, to settle this one.
You simply can cross over the multimeters to see if the fuse is okay. Because if we got current, we would see this on the power supply.
Yeah, it would have
I've switched the
spiked.
multimeter off now.
Yeah, it would have spiked and then got down.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
What you're trying to do? You
No,
should
no,
go to
no.
the multimeter out.
Yeah, no. I'm not thinking.
No, you don't.
He's clearly not thinking.
Okay, let's.
Okay, let's try the most simple thing. Power supply
Yeah.
directly to
We'll turn the current
to
down.
these leads.
Right, I've turned the power supply, go it down somewhat.
Yeah, I'm just going to check
Okay.
so the fuse is correct. Otherwise,
Okay, you're on amps, 10 amps.
You want to hammer Yeah, go on.
yeah,
Yeah, he's reading current.
yeah. So the fuse is fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
While the 10 amps range is probably not fused.
It probably is fused.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
It says it is.
Yeah. They usually are on those. Mine is fused and mine is a crappy one. So no, there's nothing going through. Let's go up a voltage. Ah, there we go.
There was for a short moment.
Yeah, and
Try to massage the thing.
Ah.
Yeah, there.
Okay.
Again, it was. Again, for a short volt moment, there was current.
it spikes up and then disappears. Ah.
Because it blows something open. So I think to settle this, the best thing is for me to do, as I said, is to contact
Yeah,
Arctic
agreed.
directly. Give them the link to this and say, will you please review this
Yeah,
video
yeah.
and tell us what you think about how we're testing your compound for conductivity. Do you guys out there think that's the best thing we can do?
Yeah, for Arctic, this doesn't matter for low voltage applications,
No.
but for high voltage power supply switching and stuff, yes, it does.
You know, my curiosity is peaked now, so
Yeah.
I want to know why this happens.
Yeah.
Well, it does it at 50 volts. I mean, if you stick this under output transistors and a power amplifier, you've probably got 200 volts there.
Yeah, and it's quite substantial
Yeah.
difference from mega ohms to 100 ohms to 50 ohms.
Yeah, to kilo ohms, it's all over the place.
Yeah, so if you are unlucky and it hits 50 ohms, you kill your entire thing.
Yeah, you can blow stuff up with this.
Yeah,
What do the crowd think?
maybe.
They think you're in a good way, yeah.
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 You know, I
Contact them and get some clarity, says Dutch.
Yeah.
Because I'm at loss here, so I can't explain.
This has metal inside. That's the only way this can actually conduct heat.
Correct.
But problem, the suspension should stop shorting between particles in a long enough chain to align them.
Which is what seems to be happening.
Yeah, they are aligning when the voltage is applied, but they shouldn't.
Yeah, and to different amounts, so we get different.
Yeah,
We get
exactly.
different-
Budgetfish says something interesting if you want to try this. We tried 1000 volts and then 50 volts. The other way around could be more interesting. Try
Okay.
50 volts
We
first,
can happily do this.
Oh
and
yeah.
then 1000
So we put
volts.
another blob
So,
on, and we tried at
yeah.
50 first.
This
Yeah.
is a fresh blob.
Okay.
Like fresh blob.
Fresh blob.
Yeah.
Fresh blob.
Let me go for
Okay, we blobbed,
That is blobbed and smeared.
smeared.
Smear
Okay.
it all over the.
Is
pad.
this a smear test?
Of course.
You know it is. Let's just look at the.
High voltage generator.
First, let's check the resistance before we do anything.
Okay.
Yeah, just in case. There.
And please keep in mind this voltage will be very low that will be injected now.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I want to test it before.
Yeah.
Reads open.
Open. Okay, good.
Okay, right.
Open. It should not conduct anything.
We've lost one of those here.
Yeah.
One of the big.
No, we do 50 first,
We do 50 first.
and then measure it again.
we measure it with 50 volts.
Doesn't matter the polarity now this time,
No,
because no LED.
actually, the polarity of this meter, the high voltage pin is the negative. You know,
Yeah.
they put that out back to front. I talked about it in the review video. So okay, so we have it set to 50 volts. Can we see that?
Yeah.
Dutch says, can you put the multimeter in series to see if there's current flowing?
We can.
We can, but I thought we wanted to do this test. Can we do one thing
Well,
at once?
you could do this all in once, but now we're going.
Yeah, just go. Rich.
So it's on 50 volts,
Yeah.
and you should see come up on here saying 50. Well, it should say 50. Okay.
Mhm.
Test. Go.
You put it on 1 minute. 45, 50 volts.
No. So.
Oh!
We have a different result.
Okay, so we can keep stepping the voltage up.
Yeah.
So we have the option to try different voltages. So let's try the different voltages.
So I think it's the 1000 volts that is doing it.
Leave
Yeah.
it at 50 and do not go higher, says Greg.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, it's on the
How
one.
long should we do that, Greg?
The minute test.
It's on the 1 minute test. By the way, I pressed the wrong button. I can switch it off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so it doesn't conduct. So shall we now go to 100 volts?
Yeah.
Go for it, yeah.
Yeah, we go up until it breaks.
So it breaks.
And it will not break this time, I'm pretty sure.
So it's on 15 seconds now. Okay,
Yeah, very
15
good.
seconds. 100 volts. Go.
Yeah, no, it's still okay. So
100 volts is fine.
So it's the 1000 volts that is.
Well, there's more options yet. We have two more ranges.
Uh-huh.
We have 250 and 500. Okay.
Yeah,
So that's
that looks fine.
okay. So we go up again.
Let me
This
check.
is 250
Yeah,
volts.
that is smeared completely.
That's 250 volt. Okay. We hit the test. So
Yeah,
250
250.
seems okay. You're gonna watch it. You're gonna go to 1000 and not do it this time. isn't
Yeah,
it?
that's what I said.
I was looking at the cables, but this all looks fine.
Yeah, no, it is fine, and it is passing the voltage. Otherwise, that wouldn't show
Yeah,
anything.
indeed.
Okay. Again, we go to 500 volt. 15 seconds. It's breaking down.
Ah.
So about a
At
500.
somewhere between 250 and 500, it breaks down. And once it's broken down, it remains conductive.
Yeah,
So now it's done that.
you can go back to,
You go back to 50.
50 and it will show 4 volts anyway.
Okay. Go back to 50.
So it aligns the molecules.
Yeah,
inside.
look.
Ah, crap.
Okay.
Okay, we know what's happening. That's interesting, though.
That was interesting.
Yeah, it was interesting. I wonder what Arctic will say.
They will probably say don't use 500 volts.
They probably tell you this is for CPU, so we don't care.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's still.
Okay,
The
well-
idea
Well,
was.
it says it's thermal compound. It doesn't specify it's for CPUs.
Yeah,
does
the,
it?
the idea was
CPUs and
what will
GPUs.
happen if you put this stuff somewhere in a power supply where you
Yeah.
need.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can't use this in a power supply. Do not. CPUs, GPUs, fine because they're 12 volts ish. If you're using SXM2, that's 48 volts, still within range, so you should be fine.
It doesn't actually say anywhere on here this is for CPU.
No,
it says it's
thermal
thermal
compound.
It's thermal compound
And non-conductive.
and non-conductive, but it isn't.
On top of
Well, it is. Well, I think we've proved
until a certain voltage.
500 volts.
Yeah. Since you got the contact, I would really talk to them.
I think
not to mess with them.
No
just-
complaining.
yeah.
I'm curious.
I'm curious. Here are the results.
Yeah. Could you verify the results or send me a tube of your original?
Yeah. Send me a tube of your original, and
Just
we'll
in
do
case,
it.
yeah.
Just in case, we'll do it together. What do you guys think of the?
They would probably like it. It's free advertisement for them.
Just interested what you.
Lon
guys think.
says, as a rule, I'm always careful when applying thermal paste and
Yeah.
where it can spread to. Yes.
Yes, I have had that happen to me on an old AMD CPU where the small resistors are on, and I had some cheap thermal paste from a Chinese shop, and I put it on, and I turned on the computer and it shut down immediately, and it shorted out the entire CPU.
Ah, damn it.
I had to get a new one instantly.
Ooh.
That was the old K6 AMDs. It was a long time ago.
The terminal was switched off.
Sorry.
A function F1.
Okay, he did it. Yeah, it's done. It's done.
What do you want to do? We're just clicking right
I just
now,
wanted
the
to
other
say how long we have left. We have 15 minutes.
one. We've
So
got 15 minutes left.
it's Ask Us Anything time.
Yeah,
Ask us anything.
Yes.
I have thermal compound. My finger.
Blah.
It's fine.
That was of your own doing.
Yeah, it usually is when I hurt myself or get dirty.
Cool sound.
Yeah.
Don't know what I want to do this. Right. Rich said I should show this on the video.
Oh yeah, right.
Yeah.
I have yours at home.
Oh,
I know you have.
I didn't
And
know
since
what
I
it was.
thought, I think I never will get this back, so I thought.
I get another. I did not know
Well,
what this
don't
was.
don't tell them. Let me show them, and let's see if they realize.
If they know what it is.
recognize what this is. The older folks will probably realize what this is.
I didn't know. I didn't know. What is that?
And Richard is older, folks. So
I know. And I still
Rich,
didn't
Rich
know.
is older folks.
And I still didn't know what it was.
if you never used one,
Okay, let's wait if people know what this is.
yeah.
Okay, Carther knows it.
Carther
and
knows.
Carther is one of the younger folks.
Yeah.
Mm.
What type of component do you bend on this? Through hole, obviously, but.
The code blah 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 is invalid. Okay, probably Edwin would probably use this all over the world right now. So yeah, the 4 pins of components. Okay, they know how this use is. Yeah, I use this often. Yeah, I gave mine to Carlos and tell him, oh, can you do a 3D print from that? And I never got it back. So I'm
And that was
probably
I actually modeled the 3D
that's 2
print.
years ago. 2 years
2 or
ago.
3
now,
years
yeah.
ago.
I
Yeah.
actually
So,
modeled the 3D print and everything. I never got around to print it. I have it on my table.
Yeah, so I found this on AliExpress and
Yeah.
I ordered it. Yeah, yeah.
So this is for.
Yeah, there's 3D printed one says it's X-Man. See, he knows how to do this.
Yeah. So this is basically if you're using Vero board.
Mhm.
I take it.
You want to show?
Yeah. Let me just find some.
Resistors, capacitors,
Resistors will work well.
LED lights. If you need a specific bend for the PCB.
Yeah, they're unusually expensive on AliExpress. I don't understand why too. Yeah, same. Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah. So it's like a resistor. Take a
Yeah.
resistor. Take something.
I did the LED. Let's.
Just grab a resistor.
There's a loose one here.
So is this how many holes spacing on the?
Yeah, so
Are
you have
those all
not,
the same size? Or they vary? No, they vary.
no,
not
they're
they?
varying size. So it depends on the pitch.
Okay.
On the whole pitch.
Yes.
And then you choose. These are for different types of capacitors and stuff. But
Axial components.
You can't. Yeah, you can't see with
Yeah.
your hands.
actual component
The-
and actually capacitors work as well.
Yeah. So you put the components across there.
Yeah, and you push down. That left has numbers on as well.
Yeah,
So it's-
Which is how many hole spacing on the Vero board.
Exactly. And then you just take it out.
If
And,
I get a piece of Vero board,
yeah, it should fit right.
one moment.
Okay.
That was the interesting part. Will it fit?
Yeah, did I choose the right hole here? But
I
it's
saw this first on Front Lab. Oh, really, Paul? Okay. I mean, I had mine for, I don't know, 40 years or something. So,
Well, rather than Vero board, well breadboard.
yeah,
do.
that works.
So you get a piece
Should
of
be the same
breadboard.
pitch.
Yeah, and then okay, did I screw up? No,
Yes, you do.
No, I didn't.
Ooh, look at this, how professional this looks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So it's to simplify.
Can I get a ooh, please?
Ooh.
Ooh.
It's to simplify building prototypes and other quick stuff.
Now I wrote debt on this. On the
I
side.
like
Oh yeah, he wrote debt on the side of this.
Yeah, so this is not happening again.
He owns it. Yeah, he's not losing another one.
No, he's getting it.
Thank you, Dodge.
Can I just ask why you wrote debt on with like a yellowy orange paint on an orange thing? I mean,
this was the one I had.
it was like, I mean, like, yeah. Can I just like describe the principle of contrasting colours to you?
This is a secret marking, you know.
Oh,
It's so if I take it, he knows I took it.
Yeah.
They cheaped out on the bottom.
Did I?
Yeah, the 45-degree angle, so no supports. Yours is flat on the bottom.
Yeah, true. Yeah.
so is it only me who didn't know what that is, or was some of you guys owned up to also not knowing what it was? I didn't know what it was.
Detlef showed me it, and yeah, I know what it is.
Secret handshakes.
I built a lot of perf board circuits in my time as well. So these are quite handy.
Yeah, that is quite a useful thing. That I think actually they probably gave something like this away with Practical Electronics years ago, and I just forgot.
Yes, they did, and yes, you forgot.
Yeah, they gave one away on the front of your.
And almost all these.
Thingiverse resistor lead forming tool D Newman. Yeah.
Oh, they already have one. Okay.
So everybody out there with a 3D printer now, print please some of them.
Yeah, I actually made my own version, but I haven't.
So you made your own version. You didn't print one for me.
I have so.
Okay,
many
you brought
prints.
over the.
This is not getting better, you know.
Yeah,
I know.
You brought over the power supply, so you're good.
I know. Yeah. The LED fits quite nicely as well. So if you want a nice looking perf board, this is the way to go.
Yeah, I agree. I normally like to spread the legs
A
out.
keyring version. Oh, this is a cool idea.
Huh.
Okay, you maybe.
Yeah, with a smaller selection of sizes for
true,
perf board.
Yeah, you can just make it smaller. Indeed.
Yeah, I can just cut off the top of the.
Yeah,
that
then we can put it somewhere where all the
This
soldering
size.
iron, where the soldering iron lives.
Yeah. See, I normally just spread the legs and go for it.
Yeah, that's usually the way I work as well.
Yeah.
It's time, guys.
That was not a double entendre.
Oh, no, not at all.
That was just a single entendre.
Yeah. That was
That's even more obvious than the double one.
That was a direct entendre.
Yeah, direct entendre. Hey, there's a new phrase, the direct entendre.
Yeah.
Entendre?
We don't mean.
A double entendre is like something which has two meanings. So
Yeah.
just spread the legs and go for it.
I thought this was an
usually-
innuendo.
Usually a sexual.
No, an innuendo is a suppository. Innuendo.
Yeah, in your endo. Yeah. I knew you were going there.
Screw you guys, I'm going home.
Another reference.
Cheers! At least somebody knew this.
Cartman.
Yeah.
Oh, can we pass that back, that orange thing?
Okay.
This thing. Yeah, somebody said Detlef, this is a comb.
Combs are overrated.
Yeah,
Comb's It's a comb for Detlef.
it did work.
Yeah, well,
It did something.
It did work, actually.
Come on, I'm still thinking of. I'm a rocker now. Yeah? Come on. We need to have long hair.
I cut my own hair every time, so
Yeah.
with my bad back, I was cutting my hair. It took 2 days. It was horrible.
Richard says you might keep your eyes open for one of these of your vendors or a good price on AliExpress.
Cunning lingus.
Okay.
Jesus Christ.
Snapco pointer type isolation resistance tester analog mega voltmeter blah 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 blah. Says Lon.
Oh, Detlef has a true Christopher Lloyd Back to the Future haircut.
Yes. Constructing the flux capacitor.
Capacitor,
Yeah,
that's the one.
Yeah. Only one. It's one. No.
Does he go up on end with you?
Mine does if I leave it long. I have afro hair. You can't notice because I always
curly.
have it short. I had hair down to my back of my knees when I was young.
It's all curly like after.
Extremely curly. Actually, to get it down, I wasted 1 bottle of shampoo every time. So.
It's school that they call you pube.
No,
Curly, yeah.
they call me peruki, which is a wig.
Ah, wig.
Yeah. And And then Medusa.
What was the live subject stream again? I have no idea, Paul.
I think it was.
Comte is overrated. Dutch.
Yeah.
Yeah. I drink to that. Has overrated.
Essex man had an afro in the 70s.
Okay.
I also had an afro down in the 90s.
No, my hair was always just
It was
straight.
already over then. It was not popular by any means.
Okay, we still have 5 minutes to go.
Yeah.
Ask us something else.
Yeah.
Go, guys.
Not that it made any difference.
No, no.
But they can ask us.
What the hell?
It's cup paddled.
Ooh. I may have an idea for this.
For the laser cutter?
I'll tell you later. When I've done some testing at home.
Well, if you're going to go and get me out of battery, then, you know, favours and all that.
Yeah.
They don't have any questions for us. Look at this, guys.
Oh.
We already.
Okay, Dutch says, am I crazy? Okay. Yes, you are.
Oh, and I can just show them what we're going to test tomorrow.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
so you all know what an 858D is, which is the thing behind DET. That wet eight.
The El Cheapo
Grab that.
hot air.
No, I'm not grabbing this.
Okay, well don't grab that.
The cheap hot air is this small.
Yeah, I'm not grabbing this. I'm preparing now to go
So
home.
we're going to do a direct comparison.
You mean the one I have?
We're going to compare this one, which
I
was about 25
I'm
euros.
using that right now.
Okay, we're going to use that one. Hot air workstation. We're going to use the 858D. If that would grab it, please.
I actually replaced my entire station because of these.
We're going to compare this one, which is the Mechanic 9570W. This
Looks fancy.
it was about €100.
I know
Looks
what
like a
I'm
welding
going to ask
tool.
for.
And it has like a proper pump in there with a pipe, not like the electric.
So the
hair
difference
dryer.
is this drives there directly in the handle, and
Okay.
this drives there in the machine.
And
So
we're
it
gonna-
has a rubber tube. That's
And we're going to compare that with this
Holy
one.
crap! That's the expensive.
No, this is not the expensive one. This one was also about €100.
Huh?
Let me
Where
just
do you
get
find
it.
these things? Every time I look, it's 250, 200.
This one, RF4.
Okay, no, that's not the same.
That was about €100 as well. And we're going to compare all those four with the Quick 861DW.
Air inside the machine as well.
Air inside the machine again.
Yeah, it has a very flexible fit tool.
Yeah, so what I really want to prove is whether these €100 items are as good as the Quick for €200.
Yeah, no, I'm using the El Cheapo one we
Yeah.
have here.
Of course, that's why I got the El Cheapo one, because some
Yeah.
people are in this market.
I am
so-
using that one, and I replaced my normal station. I have a D940 station.
Yeah. So we're going to compare those three with the 86.
Deadlift is gone.
I'm on Minecraft. He's a Minecraft guy. That's what's going on here.
Yeah.
We could just put a face of him on here, like a photo.
As long as it's not AI, this is fine.
Yeah, just it's on the.
Yeah.
Yeah. So tomorrow, guys, we're going to do a live comparison of these. It's going to be 1 hour.
If
three.
it's really good, you can give me this one. You already have 3, I think.
Ah, yes. I already have.
Whip Spider says, I'm new to electronics and I wanted to make some PCBs at home
Yeah.
with salvage component to try out ideas. Oh, I don't know how to trace this right. Do you guys think about traces? I think
Talking.
I think you maybe want to head over to my old channel. There's not something new on there, but there's a video about EZDA on there. And
This is debt build stuff.
that good stuff. Thank you. I always think they all know this.
Yeah.
But this maybe help you a bit. Good.
Yeah,
So
EZDA is really
Can
easy
you
to
just
get
tap
into.
the channel name into the chat just quickly for the guy? Debt build stuff.
I think Dutch can put it in if you
Yep.
just
Yeah,
ask him.
yeah.
our admins can do this. Yeah, they probably do this. Yeah.
Debt build stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
His videos are really easy to watch, and he explains everything very good. So I would recommend his videos, actually.
Okay.
I did watch them.
Now you don't need to print this in anymore.
No, I did watch your videos.
I watched one.
I watched more than half of yours.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
there is a lot.
This is true.
You have 600 and something videos.
No, I have 1,097 now.
Yeah, that's what happens when you have 3 or 4 videos a day,
A week.
or something.
Yeah,
Yeah.
to Rich is a machine.
The
when it
channel's
comes to-
5 years old earlier, Mark. No, it's already 5 years old.
Mine is 4, and I only have 70 videos.
Ah.
So,
Yeah, Rich is a machine when it comes to
Yeah,
video
no,
production.
I can't do that. I have the kid and my back pain and that. I know I can't. I'm trying
Thank
to
you,
get
Coffee.
out a new video this month.
Thank you to who said thank you, Miss Whippley.
Whip Spider.
Whip Spider, yeah, cheers, mate, cheers. We enjoy doing these. These are good fun on a Sunday.
Yeah, we have fun.
Tomorrow, the quick comparison of these, and 2 weeks' time, we'll be seeing these guys again.
We do. Yep. So,
Yeah.
have a good night. Have a good rest of the weekend.
Yeah.
Wherever
Yeah.
you are. And not so much snow.
Yeah, no, Sweden doesn't have any snow right now except for the north.
It's 23, 24 at the moment.
Yeah,
most days.
it's a bit cold
Yeah,
in the
it's
night.
nice
A
here.
bit
It was
cold
19 at night.
19,
Yes,
18 at night, a bit cold. Yeah.
Thanks, Paul. Bye.
So everybody, have a good one. We'll see you in a fortnight. Or
See
maybe
ya.
tomorrow afternoon.
Salute!
Salute!
Bye.